me dofopa o hwe enkranshen sem ewo Adom TV na dwumedie we mi amete dwamu amede ho chia me ya osomfo Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego ema ho sepe ema akwaba ede nhira eguso ene asem amede bre wo no mato ne dini kwambe nso ne abrabo be erade de na ne fe na ma ne agye what trans adwene ho pen se empo abraba a wo bo ne ma wo ye nyina no wan na ne so na ho na wo yama no na ne agye ema bebre wo kunum na ma wo ye dia wo ye se de be abema na be do no bebre mama bebre se be wo mprafo ene wo ye se empra na be do no bebre obu an adwuma wura na me ye ma na adwuma wura ni agye yesa me ye na adwuma na pagya wo ye nyina wo senti ayo bibie na me de na de me bisa o say what trust have you ever thought about whether the life you are living pleases God? Senti ni say onyame na oyo wo ebo wo enam ne pen no doso asa ma akoto phone said baby akoto phone no phone ran woni mpa se phone na akoto na be adwuma edu yusu phone na wane gi a de ye phone na ama na ni agye bebre ti wiase a ya brabo am onyame edi awreho tina de se obi sa ho se abrabo am ibui aso ema awurade energy se de a wo yire bebi sa se ma brabo am na obo emi kunu ema ho sepel ana obema bibisa na yere se ni ame ye wani so ana adwuma wura ahye ne mra na wadi so na ma nani agye ho wo so a wo tie me na da bisa ho se aso abrabo ame ibui eso awurade ani ana ma me no nkan bible no baabi eye Psalm 149 verse 4 or say for the Lord takes pleasure in his people onyame ani so na ji ho he crowns the humble with victory na woni e wa ho brase no o hye wonkunimdie eche because onyame boy ediman nje God created us to make him happy to do his will enti abrabo a emanyame ne gye no egia no ma bi so sabita fracha o ware oba na akọ adwuma ba oda debi ho te say na nasre and aduane wo say o eye wudi na aduane yo so aduane ya me de na onsa da ne komu na oni ndi akọ ne ba e ma debi ho sane no empo wo ma won school fees wo da aduane ene wa pomu ne hwa no wo hwe o say papa ne mame wo peme enti obi abraba wo no wo obi ne mebi wo ya o ma obi ene gye ho na wo soso no ese obu bra bama onyankopon ene agye ho sabrabo ne de ho ensembe na obeka ebe nyankopon fe na ne de adwene ban na ekuchire wadwen proso a nyame ohunu wadwene mu beka se afra we adwen wodwen na me de ma me ho sepe me sabi ne ye ba na adna die e wa abrabo mu usikasem abrabo mba bia eme nyankopon timi hwe aka se odie abrabo esomani na ema me ho ye fe onipa da sani abrabo ni wo obi na yo wo ema ne pe obi na se ne mre edi nyansa etu utimu ma wonsa ne nan se fo bubra te ya na wutu na muntuo bi a nyehunu se wodan obi wodan kokoko bi wodan atwere brampom bi nti ye de se fata ye nyina yehunu se abrabo no edan obi a ke kasa be ahwe yi ke to na muntuo bi a be ahwe yi ne abise ho se di ameye aso ebe awurade fe ana ni amikan ana muntuo amikotuo yi be ma awurade ani agye ana ebe ma bonsam kra bonsam mama me de me mpesa bonsam baba na nsam mama me te me mpa abo ne se ye nyina ra be ka bomu atona muntuo akakasa ne ne ya be ma de obo ye na hu se mfaso aba ya brabo so na nani agye ne ayeyo ma we so nya mpa abo na wakwan enye Nyankopɔn fɛ ka kyerɛ ho me efi ne da koi makwan na mekasa ebe Nyankopɔn fɛ ma menya ha na memfa na ase ne hyira nkɔma Adom TV adwumayɛfoɔ nyara Emmanuel Richmond Sarah Osmosis champion baako pɛ amsamfra Abishai na menna eben ani wo bia o lighting just wo bia ne nsa eka adwumade a eba mfie mu no ka me ho ne mfa hyira nsɛm ngo so na wo a onya amrɛ hwɛ me de ne ameka ne tiawa wo ne twedi ampo Nyankopɔn entena na wabrabɔ nso na ani
Yada say yasamu achibie mu akwa Badom TV Badwam so Apostle Dr. Nite Kutego yada say ni nkranhyensem de adu so no ye Badwam kase sam no ne toja omu bi ya wo betini Inter School Sports Festival koso anka eden kabo mu ne odobeba no ewi akiri adan bibie wo ho ye de ho nsam no ebebro na bechele manchen so enenei wode kokobo pe mu eden mampanifo ahwe Ghana Water Limited so Onhwe no mo nsu nte sadia ombete wonka edo ni nsembia no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube na kwa adomonline.com semi ni nsema fufuo yi ewo ho bididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni dem yenti 770 mu etie Inter School Sports dwumadie ya ekoso enye nene ehyasie akoso mretintin nanso enedie de ekoso wo Brachere Senior High Technical School ene Suedro School of Business ani nyina ewo fifi mantemu no akọ ye niema bia ensem fata wo social media no eso a jesa school fo ni bi kura nam so epra ya emu eden na eno enenam so wo hwe agona awutu Senya West and Agona West constituency ehona schools yi mienu nso ewo nkankabom ene ye hwese nke betumi abamu so wi akire kasa ne akiniwase wunti ama eniema ensem fata akoso a enenam social media mrasha bedwani ewo awutu Senya West eye Gizela tete abutui ena wode to awofo sukufo ede obibia ni mo ese Ghana Education Service mpanifo One frase ya woye hwehwemu enu achi nso one Director General of Ghana Education Service District Chief Executive awutu Senya West and District Education Office Headmistress awo Brachere Senior High Technical School and pedophobe ewo kronomi edum nso etna na wo mahwesa sumdie betumi afa ne ntoma pade efra Agona West mashebedwani so one na kabomo ehwe sede asie bi nsibie mu yehwe ni mu se wo kwakotwa nhomam na 2 new dormitory blocks won betumi apa ho ntoma ewo ho no sabre no oni school for any school mpanifo no mu behia na afi wa ye hwehwemu ede afa ho Bayenton sam no so na yemunra yensam foforo emu aban abakọ wona eteso obi hwe bon homoden se tetefo eson komodie ne de adehye wono ebenya bie nanso nkro bi ewo Kintampo South bensino emu ameka sei tetefo homa obi adidi dwuma no aye haw aduama won Adom kase etosi
ma sie de be kana kran se ma sie no network hu ayedin mai aha no hospital na me wo no a ewo kurum ha no network no o pe kra say o de e claims say de obi ba hospital na o pe say o ma o ye no o check no insurance na hwe say eyedma na eyedma yese wo ye den o ba soro ha say o ba ha soro ha na say o ba jai kru ni nyina wa akiri na akọ ewuro mi ndi yen hwen say e bia obi aba hospital na insurance so sha say to na o pese o check ye hu say ni bibia ye adwuma ansa na white me ahwe no na ano no ebisa na ontimi ye yese wo ye den o man pa na tenase yese insurance jai to ansa na white me asare abasoro ha aba check ni bibia ansa na white me aba hwe no ba
sa ano network no ho ayese ma ye din pa ma yo ha
ni kra
open network ya just o ja kuru no nyina wase o na wasan abasoro ha si o ba so wa mpaja fu no osoro a onya network no yi
network ni ha nti amaya ho chire pa e network ho network ni ha dise ope kwa ya dise okotop akoye call answer
eno achi na Wilfred Zuri ya ono ena ya ba na musini wo ho so de to adom kase anim se ye hye akwan enche kura ho mo famu no wonom e ba be yi e de afiri ho ama wo
telephone and as network issues no enye manse nko a oba mo area no ya wa about 13 communities and oba kentampo south so a ye wo other areas ye kano zones into call agina zones so anyina wo su kan clear and other areas so and so telephony issues so na wo call dum su bredi nimpu number 1 and 2 mu nyina wo telephoning problems until somewhere 2024 ye ba power no ya sha se to hana mo me honorable MP Obapa Felicia Gay me bona basopa until December etwamu na anu ya no 25th and 26th na defect for aba our district here until me no mo echine district by district community by community makomako 26 ana me no mo echine omo ya assessment aye gusu etwa omo na minisam repam no after assessment no ombeba na areas ya wose ye call na se bia ye manto mast anasa na mumbi ebetu a ebeboa na telephoning dwumadi na tima improve work in Tampa South no I hope say ebeba so
ohine ya wo ntotoro so ono nso na ya president maha for Regional House of Chiefs Berima Trepon Ampem ya woto so miensa ode adesre to Newmont Gold Ghana Newmont say on tabano achi wo community mine na wo ye no sebe ya galamsia agensemu memu no ebeba form.
We don't complain anymore. Now this is very serious, and for that matter it is not politics, because water is life. For almost about 2 months some of no water. When you go to the top, that is pure aerial area, 5 months.
Yanko eye ensem fufuro emo Bechele Manchenso edekokobor na eto edwa the tichu eko ede amagana water limited for so woni die mu a enso ho aye den ede ama wo mo hwensiesie ntisa obeto wonka.
We don't complain anymore. Now this is very serious, and for that matter it is not politics, because water is life. For almost about 2 months some of no water. When you go to the top, that is pure aerial area, 5 months, no water. When you come to bumper, 4 months, no water. We have all the pipelines passing through Bechele, but we have never seen water for the past months. It is very, very, very alarming.
And watching na bana musini ya wo on katamanso Samuel Tete Kwashi Morton enso de tu dwa say na nakasa odika frisensuo de eyade a ehuhia pa
yensunsuo no ehuhia yempa baade ani se aban achiche adwuma no ama ankro esese nyina yeye eba du nsuo asem a eno de na ye Ghana water na esese omohwe na nie krobia esese onya nsuo na wenya nsuo no ba sese no ani adane kakra eresumu asema yedi mu omo se yedi omo nyina beka bom na yato anamo akoga na wata omo office ho na yakobisa mpanyimfo ne enti a na nse nsuo no ho ayeden no
eno achi na mrahye bedwani ye wo mpotamo ho Joseph Akuete Tete enso de tu dwa se
nsuo no ni ho a pressure no eba yeso enti earlier on we nya the same problem ama me di tumpanyimfo anim omo restore, but this time the problems are samba. Until you stress omo I appoint say omo ye adwuma no. They should do their work. We hear the was say and say be prompt you. And I idea you go so here. But we will still continue to follow up. Send be and so be community. That road nso a. And also look, NDC government the aye bia makon katama so within this short time. You cock pon say oba say contractors were kwan so a omo ye adwuma.
Obose divisional command no na ne wonso enya power plant no se be ya wode ebedi wonuma nkane ne dumu a won wanyina hoden ya won mo ede be ya dwuma eye AGA 4 na akwakoye won mo adoyi.
In fact, say light of our building ana edin pa say administrative work, any operational work comes to a halt. And we know about say 24/7 light in the basis so ama the FCA be a bit my ultimate end type of say if there is an emergency operation work and as a administrative worker, it comes to a halt. Nothing goes on. They say there, yenya way the 24/7 light in the basis so. Ama the FCA be a to me. Obuasi there, term here. We are ready to fight the criminals. We catch a month for some volunteer information. MIA, may fighting crime. So we be to pattern now who say Nipano when you be some dubious character. My assunte.
Afe Edmond Odroje and senior manager ya ohwe sustainability so wo Anglo Ashanti.
Nyama egu akwama ye hwe se be ma opase di ye sisi school dan ye si asopiti se de be ya omanfo asetena wo betumpo no. Yinim se ye yi ni nyina ye security ade a edem. Asise ya wo biem ne se be boa ama ye institutions ya strengthen wo mo efa ye security sem efa ya ho bambo. Na yene nuanu mo Ghana police team komo ma ye hu se hu be hia se obubenya genset na abo mo mudumedi omudi no atimi atumpo enim se dumso eba ya na emo management ni enkoso ye surveillance se boni be kan ye hwehwe yenumam ye me ye ada wo na ye be hia power electricity ni ye dia ye se adwuma ni nyina no se power popoma ya na omutimi no maduma.
Diwe dubiase mrashe bedwani ye Abdul Salam Adams ene wode soso abofoma obesi 3 unit classroom block ama fahia kobo die basic school ena fe 6 seater water closet so edi ama apeja die basic school ene atobiase RC basic school.
Ahanum na me share me call DHS wo share conditions e wa hanum afa na oba school kra na na wura ho school dan yesisi ho no mo ensuo ni ha toilet facility ni ha sa na ye ne ko na ye ne time ne de se bi mo na mfofo kuma se mo na fo mo share conditions a omu nuanu mo esu ade wo mu na se omu hwe de omu wa hanum na school ne ba na aye de ama nti the first step ne say you will provide the necessary facilities any conditions are ema adesua no eya kondo so what you say eno ene be encourage akwala na mana ba school de ka ho biomo no so ya wofo e wasa akwala bia no at least yenya basic education ma no na senka ne papa mo onya secondary na ko onya tertiary ka ho but anye bia akra no at least send us okuta SHS certificate outimi ko police outimi ko soldier obitimi fa wo e ma net o tena ne office ene ade ba se wo anya bi kura de a nya no ne ho asem ka no edi
Enwachi na ohene ba kwabena ando ya ono na ya bana musini wa dance south enso di tudwa se mensina bedwa no wo mani abre pa se enwumasua ho nsem wonum eba bedu ho dwuma na odi atudwa se suku a wo besini fahia kobo no enya dampo amiensa ne po headmaster suku pani ne office baby obetena edini dwuma so wonum esi bia ka ho na afei baby teacher fo nso betena staff common room wodi bia pi so ansana baby obekura won nuoma so wodi aka ho edi ama wo
dikan ko adanse apeja eho your DA basic school. Unfortunately, ejanai enisa school ho. Diene yekoye abefu ejanai eye WC ena ema won. Nti yekoye abefu die na ye tunsio ya mechanizing sio no dia ma ejanai ayesie no. Oni eba adanse atobiase. Eho so oba DA basic school a. Omonso sa school ne yefefefe na nso omu ne ajanan o sa abefu ajanan adankra isia aye teacher for mema ne ma e di ama ho sadan no enso enkwala no omu ne adan dodo a school na eye adankra isia e wo se enkwala ne ko no omu de ne ye miensa nti ye di adankra miensa no keka ho no omu ye adankra isia no ne aye head teacher ne office ne aye staff common room any office and store near the account.
Yanyando Sonadum TV, Badwam Kasiana Hanabrema Quine no pay ya DSC. Emreni adagenti yada se pa the boy ye way and a jofano adoniti. yɛte ase akwa ne nyina gyina so mogya efa bebi e wo se fa ntini mo bie am yetimi hu me free yanto yentua ti okese yɛda ase papa ye wo yema yɛn de bie nti yɛse ase da ayeye ne ntontom ɛne yɛgyina yɛahwɛfoɔ ne yɛtiefo nyina na ebu ne abusua ɛde ɛma wo inua mema papa bi adom na dom ahofemu ibia mu rade hu ɔno mfiefo adofo mema mo che
Ejoso
na ibia bɔkɔ de
Nyankopɔ Adom tɛhwɛ ma da bɔdwe mu yi
na tuni ko ye
bɛda bɔde na se
na tuni
wi kwasi bro nim kakra ne hwɛ person mu hu ye because na top no ano den
yes
ano den
it's topping
it's topping
but musa di gasen bo bi dem e de ade
me nim symbols no
onim ba wom enye
nim ne ye brante ko ye symbols ni gugu
it's nice
it's beautiful
best of 5 if you go there
ni nyina
symbols
sa dia bisa
atwede bi down atwede
abako mfuro ana
the way you watch it
what do you want this day
what do they say
ba ya busa on say ya de na mo
yes ka fo atwede
well me dey say no na me
say ka fo atwede
any esika
me ma fa ne sa
o fa ne sa no no kansan pa ma ho
I'm sure the oye no nim
oh yes so the bien to yeah
it's beautiful
ke jo so de ne bad
me da say
also my modern way of jackets
me da say
that is say ka we be
the
African way ka bet me am my black jacket bi ni ade but when you designer we want a pam we
warm up we mish mega
saga no so ye adwuma so ye adwuma wo ho pa ade e papa bi eche we obi ni mo baka say bi e na na wo se
ti ade baka we didn't to my mind so chepa
aya de
me yes na bia me nyobolo
sa
me ni na me say che mpene
o jai
Nyamia sing to where what by the wadawma yenye mu ma we
yes there's a story I make you waves about the weekend. I mean him say you're more special interest in
school
in Takwa dane and your first time you see Kumasi no Eastern region area
very bad ensrisem hunu also mu twam
obi ani agbo in Takwa de obi ani agbo twam wo say o see nhwe nsuo ne akwala ne nyina maybe measures next year to
kwasi ayesi etwam obi anyina gro woni suku mu eno ano no we na ade measures ade na si baako ensi mienu ensi ade asama
so obi aya na ofa ne ho adi o fia
fm say obi anyina gro woni suku na sa issue say bi eba na south the time esi a
magnitude
ye bane schools na obo courses are ne ban I think say ye relax e hye mu no em na akọ because if you no cross wo ye say interzo any interkono enu amu de peke Ghana athletes.
And so make us yenye we school na mu ye be
no say they say we your school dem no one na
champion
forget
we your school on kwa na obo say amani amponi eba na susek ni eba na prempe ni eba no was ni eba
na de o ye tele pa
e wono aye be peke yenya yentwam adai obi ba mewu obi medi for me say no video bi am hu e de bo nyina bo na mete na me ka sa mo ba
the same you know
apart from no other for nkwala di omuso
yes Ministry of Education ora how na do untwam
maybe I say fun say criminal na yama wo any
well was it because you relax some of the disciplines in our secondary school and akofa we nyina
say you relax what discipline no is
it obi no mo na mudi
if you kwala bre mo
oh yeah
say school mu yentia kwala wo teacher ni ko tia kwala aboe e wo say a teacher fo ni bi eye bro so de na so akwala de say one fact so aba no am pre ne to kakra pa wo ja no a obeye de ope
na ma me na kura je ne nsem so aya wa hye ne teche afi wo tia na tia because o person le bedi ye na no na meka say won say ebi a wo de wo fam ye hwehwa de ye fam aho kire nom ne ade wo brace wa yere wo nti wo ba nyina wa dwene say wo de wo fam no wo ma fam ba ya ma abroso ano no akra no wo boy ote ayimu on fa trotro da enti woni mbre en wo mu say o hia bu bro ti say aho kire bi
to de o kire o fo no
me say ye grocery bi
na say agosi say escafo mani be pragro
so ni sabi bro mo ayimu no ba
ye no futrum
sure
be pragro no futrum
see e bo na wa fa de hwu
yes ya bo che say
ya student ne kra no atam sa abo no Students no atam sa abo.
Oh, anu amantimi hwe, mentimi hwe.
Etro bi ye ne awofo ni bi no. Ye ne koye niema be wi ni awofo ko pa.
We are not be patcho.
Obesu.
O ga mo ko hwe teacher ni. Yeah, fe ma be video be patcho.
Just
say we are.
But
maybe I think we need to go back.
What do for me ni pano? You know better for how long? Maybe be treat you as juveniles.
This is it. Discipline has to come. The only day say headmaster punish teacher. Headmaster punish teacher say all punish akwala. Also so back classroom madam here say to good. We am say good.
I was say me and
so the channel they are not calling baby.
Yeah.
Some future leaders we mo dear. You be bregu. E dey no mo e dey
afia dey ya ne say. Oni oba bi be kwa kwatena the same class. Oni oba be kunye encounter.
Oni kwa influence.
Akro ne ba no. Oni ne ba. Chale.
Tina maka kira awofo no mo say. Maybe enya adwuma no ko a e ma chechefo. Yenye adwuma. Parents na yenye role model so my ma no akra ne first role model ye wo enti hwa bra na wo boni yi ene wo mo nkasa ene ya dwi nyina ne se wonya 60 wonya 17 18 ti wanyini me say obatan wadwuma nwie gise wawu ene abewie wo ware wu mpo me say ende no matem pedifo no ase me so obana ma me tia papa me say no ase why steady kakra but tenase because still wo ye ne ba
yeah.
Hense muna mu.
That's how this year everybody din.
Everybody
ya mo ne din kan asem ni nwie. Esimesi ba e na koye we.
Aka say.
Eti me ya na sa do e me time be ka say e na robodes na aba no. O me ne nkura ne hwe mo. Oba ntimi anhwe wo ansua.
Akohwe bontin so.
Oja wo ho abehwe makwasi nsia. E na aba besua me. E no wa asem bone po.
Kasa ne ne nkasa ne.
Se wo ba time. Oba ntimi anhwe wo. Amfa usu no ban. Amfa anante. Na se makwasi nsia am wo se me yes celebrity no be hwe me abo brand ya. E na ma wo adwuma ye.
Nti afia obi
a ya gumu e de ma nkwada no
3 am. Obeba fie 11 p.m.
Yes.
Once I sorry 3 am. Maybe some sort of sacrifice. Spending time with Akwalano. Akwalano, they come on your body soon. Obi na tete obano.
Sir, time, no matter what. And it's sa 1 hour bi mpo na obenya no. Every day bi kura na is fair. And 30 minutes. Dance e be ja wo mo sa wanyini.
Oba Yusuf
unim bi onye.
E koy ofa so nyafo no oba tan enye wasem.
Remove.
Obona ba so kura.
Si oba e de na uniform go na ba be si sika hjem. Koy sika me fa so be hjem no enye wasem.
Mo man sika so.
Yo. Ye nyire ho.
Question there. Yes, boss no na.
Marase namasum live on Adom TV. Abusuan 7 dots so yes fata salt in your ba. If you weekend e ba say you know what time it is. I'm on any fee. You shall say the Ghanaian Premier League match day 23. As of after say wonya that win e wo Kumasi ne ka so beto so draw no Ibrahim Chelsea boy. Ano ana face so koroko ekonya 3 maximum points in the game. Ono so the pion so me die my league leaders a train draw. Yanko rest in the matches ni bisi koy.
It is Kakari. Now Afrani whips in across before he gets it away. Adamu shoots and it's blocked by Saidu just on the goal line.
Very good decision there, but it's Chelsea. They keep playing themselves into trouble. That ball being dealt with by Entry, and just look at that on the volley, no jog volley by Adamu right on the edge of the box. He should be dealing with that one effectively, but he punches it to a dangerous area.
That's a powerful drive and a brilliant save by Benjamin Asare, and that's why he's Azovok's #1. It was a powerful drive from Dominic Frimpong, and Asare rose to the occasion.
He had to. It's the first time we've seen Chelsea in action at offensive end, and it was Frimpong. He's been isolated all game, just needed this chance. It was a good hit. Asare with a palm. Just flick that one away.
Goal. Asare. Here's Mauli Wayo. He goes down right in the box. Was there contact? enough to warrant a penalty. Did Seydou Pouayo down?
No, a clearer view, but I think that should have been a penalty. And just look at that, bit miscued by Kakari. Just look at that. That was a pull over there. Clearly, Seydou has no intentions of winning the ball. He definitely had no intentions. The pull from behind. It's just shocking that wasn't awarded.
Whistles for the end of the game here at the University of Ghana Stadium in Legon. A result that would seem like a defeat to the Phobians, but for Chelsea, it's joy for them considering their poor run of form in the Premier League, especially on the road. Having come all the way from Brecum to scoop a valuable point here is a big deal for Samuel Boedu's side. For Benjamin Asari and his charges, they must be thinking about the points in BBNE after failing to win in front of their home fans.
Right. So, as of Mediema, Mamuna Etchen draw and Kumasa Sanekoro Konya win over Young Apostles and I want some of Tanko Ibrahim on our way coach Adema Mediema after a draw on A70.
It was a very good game. I mean, we have our chances in the first half and we couldn't score. And the second half was tough, but I think with points we are happy. Yes, okay. Title hopes is still on. No, I mean, we always said we still have, I think, 11 games or what. So to go out to the end. Thank you. All the teams.
Right. Tanko. Yes, coach the Mami team, I don't know. Christopher Enning, and so now, or your coach the Mark Samantex. Christopher, so after the game, in 70.
I think, like I always say, it's draw, win or lose. So we have nothing that to just go back and win. At least we were able to get a goal there. So I think it's quite a tough game playing with the league leaders. But that's not what I was expecting.
You still maintain your unbeaten run?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Right, Christopher Enning, head coach Samatex. Now, you can say, you know, you can and share the interim coach, the Makoroko Prince Yaususo. After the win over Young Apostles.
That's good. Definitely make people recognize what I can do. Yeah, there was a pressure. The players themselves, they felt it. So we tried to talk to them to forget about the pressure and then concentrate on the formation that I want to play. And they listened to us. When we had our 2 goals, that's when it shows a lot. So we are okay with it. No, the men that we have, when they listen and listen carefully, they definitely perform. That's what it is.
Right, Prince Yausu, Koroko interim coach. Didi Dramani, and so now coach at the Accra Hearts of Folk.
Need to improve on our decision making in those key, very key moments of the game. I think that we had every opportunity to have at least scored a goal, if not more, but to score a goal and then we don't control the outcomes. We can control how we have to do, how we have to set up, but the decisions we don't. Sometimes you score from set pieces, sometimes you try, if the delivery does not come in the right way. That was a challenge. It is all about the decisions we make in very key moments of the game. I think that we need to really improve, but we still think that.
Right, and so Didi Dramani there. Now, ya can say, I don't know. Now, Kofiesu, ever back to the club. Yes, Samuel Boedu, club or the J League, JFA Cup, San JFA Cup. Now, after the draw against us to focus in 70.
I'm not happy at all because that's not the motive, the reason why we came here. We came here to win, but quite unfortunately we drew with them. So I'm not happy due to the position that we are now. Because as we are coming, we know that House of Folk is a big club. They have a very good technical team and the individual players are really good. So I told them to compact at the back so that they cannot penetrate. This is how we're supposed to do because 3 games without losing is good, but that's how we should go because during the first round we didn't do well, and the second round we have to beef up with 1 or 2 players. But the problem that we are having is when you bring the player up, the player travel outside, and it's also there's no consistency.
Samuel Atakumi, and they were top scorer with 10 goals after 23 games. You know, the also Ghanaian Premier League anymore now. Yes, other results passed over the weekend. We are near her table and so now Vision and a big team 3-2. Now not memene da. Adriana ho ho dey 0-0 ba second ball Swedro by a goal to nil. Heart of Lions, Miviani Gold Stars Bonacam Unimani Timo Carrera, about 11 Wonders by 2 goals to nil. Nations Need Dreams, the 1-1, Samates train draw, Out of Oak train draw, and a Young Apostles Jishan who come you against Kumasa Santa Kodoko. Table in and Out of Oak, Aquina, so bet me Afro, Akostrono and Fat. Now I better so me and Sam with 40 points, and Miviani Gold Stars 42, Mediama still on top with 45 points. Yes, Out of Oak. No. Kotoso 9 was 38. Adriana Toso Enum was 38. Samates Toso Sian was 36. It is so echo. Young Momori, now the other half of the table. And Young Apostles Hoimo and Quambia Sono, one more area, Ewasio, and so I Nyasam Ketuakra. Yes, 11 Wonders. The INDM is over Kwan. So Holy Stars 10, Bechem United, so Ediosa, Edisosa, Babisiasia. And on Sunday, I want some Swiss here in the Ghanaian Premier League after match day 23. And what's happening now? You go straight to Asamana here about SSF Moko Itakona, Akoya Gidi or Honia Dia no. Now you know Kufiaji, Ebuemu, San Samana Casa City.
Yes, and it's a addition from 2 Obrach Secondary School have was tech. And we to Senior West District Central Region. Now, I'm going interzonal competition. Our grassroots drew and our Gona West Mensim and so 50 Mantem. Now, Bampatemua, interzonal in Omoya, our grassroots drew. This is a grassroots drew secondary business, second class business school. FNS Westbook. Grassroots drew business school, FNS Westbook. And PMP, Omoye organize, Omoye as athletics, Omo facilities are it may accommodate Omunia Nano and Omokoya, 15 Thursday, no Equinano. Now, you much as a Thursday, no, and I was taking for to be any aggressive school of business for no call and be misunderstanding. I know, and I saw do business of school for the what you say. I won't come away. Then I don't be today, zonal competition, and announce so much for attack aggressive tech for Kalana. Omubun be prepared no say in Babe Egu Hospital. Interzonal competition, our more year aggressive or tech for students, and aggressive school of business. At the Aboni, I'm an independent prepare video no more. A brand about Quadrinia, Ketu, a boa motoyano, Ke Omo de Papa, crying tribunal or that hospital is Yamanoka say.
The Begu Swadi actually, addressing in Sami Ebeko Akuri. Shana Somami say we have a lot on Black Queens. Yes, Minoka say coach came last and the squad I bet to ja. Our more Equaco or Pink Ladies Cup. 6 new ladies and Yakunya, Emumi, you know, a local players are Omoko Bomb Hombo Black or Swam Warriors or Mitmania, the final squad. Eco Pimo, the Emano Afcon, not immediately, and we are, and the rest of the change. Yankoyama Maison already a Koso in Italy, in Spain, in Germany, and in England. In England, Arsenal is back. Yes, Arsenal are winning. Pressure than so dear, and so winning. And of course, Liverpool so winning there, Manchester City so winning there, and Ibraba, Yanko England, McAllister this season, the first goal in my Liverpool, no body at Tumusani and the idea. Now, you can say another results, of course, so Wolves, Crystal Palace, and then we need to pay some Ketuakra, Leeds, Nasim, Ladiana, 1-1, Brighton, Kowini, Nidia, West Ham, Bournemouth, Bia, and Shebi, and a City, Diana, so now, the other half of results, Aston Villa, and Leeds, and one Papas, match. Now, Tottenham Hotspur, and one now sharing Fulham, about Sunderland by 3-1, and Crystal Palace ball Wolves by a goal to nil. Now, Real Madrid in Spain, Madrid is see from Barca San vegetable naboso. Spain are there. You go Spain, bra. And for Barca winning now back on top. Now, other results are Barca in Spain. This is it. And on our screen, you see Sociedad Oviedo, ball straight to Oviedo. So all Granada results view. Betis near Rayo ball 1-1. Osasuna about Real Madrid sending Austria and Atletico winning 4-2 over Espanyol. Now on Friday, Athletic Club about Elche. Now, Sunday games at Barca, and our share Barca born in the end of Jan Nice, so a winning 3-0. There also bought Valencia by 2, Saturday Vigo winning, and a Sevilla Huawei, Ecunia at a 3 maximum points. So Barcelona now on top of La Liga. Now, Akopimo, now to say yes, Barca 61, Real Madrid 60 points. Wow. Spain are there. Now in Italy, Napoli. Hey. Genoa about Torino by 3-0. AC Milan so boy. Say Niamasa Cremonese Gishan home and over Roma and T and the Colan Yenshadi Inter Milan winning the Como, and so that was shocking. Como Soko Bog Juventus by 2-0. Inter winning the Boko Cagliari in Lazio ball 0-0 and Sassuolo ball Hellas Verona by 3-0. Now table note 64 points for Inter Milan, AC Milan 54, 10 points after and then Napoli were 50 points after that defeat. I'm not even moving back. Germany. In Germany, Bayern Munich 3-2 by Eintracht Frankfurt. Hoffenheim, Cologne ball 2-2. Union Berlin ball Leverkusen by a goal. Augsburg winning 3-2. Leipzig and Dortmund both teams to score. Mekachra a ball simple. Mainz about Hamburg and a ball 1-1. Anyway, in a now Freiburg and so about Borussia Mönchengladbach by 2-1. St. Pauli a winning over Werder Bremen. Heidenheim, Stuttgart. 1-1. Bayern Munich on top, 60 points. Dortmund second, 52. And Hoffenheim, in France, Paris Saint-Germain, Bogu Munich. This is it. But Marseille just shine a home fiedano. Brest pa. Well, Law and so Elusu yet in Paris Saint-Germain winning no coin table and about to lose. And the Paris 1-1. Paris Saint-Germain winning 3-0 over Metz. On Sunday, Auxerre just shine a home. Lille could win over Angers. Le Havre also just showing who needs Nice and Lorient 3-3 Strasbourg. Leon, that was also shocking. Leon also Ekoluzu saying California maybe table so Paris Saint-Germain and I just want to say at the end of Aboswa and Yasam Ketua after long a defeat 54-52. Horse wire there will see that is France. Imagine so none of pay it is we have a new men so you better the change some kaina at the abroad. Na enra a your birthday. CEO of the Akinton Group, Mr. James Akinton, Kent Homes, Kent Cap, Kent Travels, Kent Movies, Akinton Furniture. Yes, Yamisha Tom Kwanamai, Makuma Service, DB, Yamau, and Quatentin, yes, Apomudin, and yes, Diamau, na cash them rabbi brave, yes to demo. Amen. And Mugasia, come, oh, yes to demo. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Amen. Pablo Weimar, Bernard Paddy will try producers. Kedwana Kasane, Erica Siribody. Brakwasi ne Sister Fia over to you.
Akwasi ada sepa nyamisha.
Namenka ho. Right.
Nti yamsi e be ko straight. Nti adofo papa bi e mamu nyina achi bi em wadaro ma obetimi ajoin ne ye wo Facebook phone line no. Ana se Zoom. Aha, ye de Zoom ID ni bia betoso. Minim se ba de same ma me ba ku bia na wo pre baso no ya kire no. The last time no. I me ka kire Richmond so nko mo no. I hope. Pacha ye ya me entonka. Aha, Adom.online.com. So, any Professor Jane, Nano Poku Ajiman praised for hard work and focus. Obapa, so what Juma din and so Danimo Eha. Bechele Manche threatens demonstration over a prolonged water crisis.
Yeah.
Serious. Was a minute, never go. It's just say 5 months, 4 months, Wunyan Sue. Nenka. Wouldn't you walk off our head? And here now, well, they a problem. When you cry, so cry, baby, I go far back.
Be a free idea, bro.
A problem. Before I'm not big, Jinamo Pa, yes, say, no, dear. As I'm not minute. I'm not 4 months, 5 months, and so much.
Be a beton,
oh, I had dream. Hey, it's also Yakakatwa. Share. Say, oh, yeah, 2 numbers a me try. I say, 120. Hey, as a Macobian there, by 150. Because almost a baby almost fan on almost so bread. Yeah. Name for baby clock of fan credit friends, yes, some. I find a conference so dear free. A problem. See, and on what someone saw any MPP Sweden branch congratulates Baumia on 2028 flag bearer victory. See, MPP
is somebody and so is a baby about a dream. Nipo beye running mate.
No. The bomb pay say beya sumdue.
Maybe en so ba bedru kese pa ye. Go say campaign bi su gina mu den sansan ye. Dr. Mahmoud ba mi repetition by. They feel say Dr. Matthew who pension no. Also on second. Yes. Sir. At least a man for so ama historical antecedent of from 2008 to 2016. Sananado down koku for the nya Dr. Mahmoud ba mi amugidie
for 8 solid years. Na onya amanyosem. Na MPP crash that enim na so stand na go for the tarnichi. And ba emprenu. Kopem say otimedi nkunim 26 na efi say Dr. Matthew Poku Pempenso no e deserve it. So say na no sami okube kan. Say MPP t-shirt no person print be brede be count. Go say o Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de ho dia. Unya so ka print ofro. Say bi so fi say t-shirt no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene Dr. Matthew Poku Pempe picture de bom. It's a part in person work at the repetition encore.
And I can say 2 p.m. Vice President maintain. That is a BBI and also some specialized high court division to be staffed with trained judge from where Court of Appeal, Judicial Service for the Castellons say yes, better court. And to say Edia Galamsia, Womudi, they are doing 10 lands as I just say. I can't tell dear my way.
0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 Throw it to me, Johnny.
Kwasi sa vox you se hwan no so.
Hey.
Ade asema. Kwasi ade asema na empanifo ntimi nyina wona so nka se ka we me hu sam na ba. Long journey mu twam. Eye gisa kra circle to bia kaswa.
Voxy.
Serious o. As ba ku bia me hu ye. Ade eye nipa na gu ahye ni mo.
How?
Serious o.
Say if you way by no Ford. Ebe nya the same challenges ekum nipa bebre ansa da kire adwen ba so say car ne say ne use no.
And 207.
Yes, if there be a make say cars bebre ba krumanum no ye nim usage. And ye tamasha kan bia no de kom. And about Friday as e jama nkwada no. And no show vox won na twi vox car na.
Na he.
Because entity be pa na ye no mo wo ewo car ko ba diem.
Me say enya say nkora o. On say ebia na ehunu ye senior high school. On say sa suban no. Say yan correct no go mofra bremu a wo de nyini. Enne me branch yesi ekwem. Trotro no the way onam kwan no so main road no so no. Obi benti no agina wo.
Yes.
Enti me na me bu asimu no. Kwasi say wo be pemo wo gina ho saa ayi nani eye normal. Say me hunu die nipa ye tie. Ani ma bi wo ho a o se mpanifo do o mo nan si fom. Ye be he wo ye papa ye beka. Wo ye boni a ye beka. Enti ye
make sure so be ye papa no. Ko papa ni be ko so adu ochi da bia sa.
Enti sa kasi. National Road Safety Authority for aba be kasa. And then ye ntwen emi ye nyina ya senhye ansa na ya se committee ana.
Oh.
Ye bia ni akote wo committee. So bi ti wanu mu ti ba wie sika bebre na ko.
Na so di pewu.
Nendu suni pe
vox yi de hey
oh
no de ba so de aba de
yes remoni de mu mo ma no short distance intercity and nam yen communities ne mu Accra to Spintex, Accra to Achimota, Accra to Kaswa na highway ne so kuma se kwan you overtake bi ye ni pa mobo pe obi pa na ka na mu no da ho no da so hyemu ye ntumi nyi no ni pa da seni ya kan no nso fa wo de bra ya kan sukuufo yi a me si ye ntwa ntako de mu ye
takore nyabote vie
enya abote kwesi da
enya nyabote takore ntwa mu de vie enya abote
si etwa mu ye aha okay wo de si ye ntwa mu kura no a ye try schools no ya within our schools ye for be a year or two punishment ni bia till say you say nyoma normalize no na so ya saba be hiem say schools a
ho do say amani ampo a mo amone hwam na be bobo
mo school mu wa
mo ne hwam
at 1 at 2 hwan e ma no so saa
ye say ntako de ye so
say ye nti aba be do be
o de me say you see enya foforo
mumra o na anya sa wo say ye kwa tam no so pe
yeah afena bo yin ba be
SK bola saba da ma ya fa no be me na no pay ya mu ache nyame ne hene wade nyina mu obo ase coffee krom na uginan ya mu ache
ne jewusu mame afia mankwa obatampa anope natade ne mikro nikro atade na se mejemoso e mama kwa ba se mo wo ye de
ya de mo yeski
ye do ba de na se we ye wa aya wo mo SK bola sana ma esrimla bi wanu ma me de no ate bi wanu ma me de no SK bolas na mene hene wa de nyina do Obuasi coffee room ana pa me nchemi MP Obuasi East Eugene Kofi Amankwa Obuasi East eni da so amansaba for me nchia no ame man mo nya dwuma pa wo no Obuasi East na me afia kaka me kan de bia kan se empanifo mlam yenya empanifo Ghana ya ni se yesu eni abanya de bia akwanhia no ebesi ene ebesi ochina ebesi anopa di da me kan sa the devil ni elodu na so okwa assumption to man say because show maguaba abanya ba obekono wo show magunsu amba yes that before ana person ya from the tickets no ayi eduebo ye na ma driver for no pressure ana ye ndam ya pena ko dija ya pena ko yes ko fobi ya pena ko ya beteni no na ye koni ama
that's Yakubu nso aba bebe na no pay ye moache
Nje to mi aba
but
mo so mo mo ye de
ye hu ye pa Yakubu
wasu de kamo na me temo na me bo ba so ba chimna mo nka ho the excellency John the man mama akokora na pomu ye de
ne hu ye pa
de yamiase ai nana amase wa kaira hema wala dawro ma no me ba bia bo sese kakra na fanti akasi en fama no na amase obi a Yakubu no mutemi chao na school for no de ne kakra na me di wan Europa nti anyonko fo se be mu kwa school for me no mu ko di agropa na se de mu kwa kwa mu mi ogba ko no Makotoshe no se buru from the M1 kwada ka ba ko kura ko tia no se de ukure na we ne dai oh my god the best school for no mpeti for so mo hwe different adwo dia mana koso no o mo hwe no mo fa na o na ti from na sa de obi si biem we are se papa
that's it
na ebese ay friend say ball no so de kakra ebese has refi na odi no so de ebese o mo fa no from raso refi penalty pa wanje
Yati.
Yanko Zoom na 2 p.m. so aba. Beme na watching.
Mejo so ye. Na mo hoye.
Na mi Adom. Na so e wonai no.
Oh. Mena opa asemi ntimi emi aba ka yin kama wo he bebi edu no yame ya awie.
Wa wie.
Ya de amiase.
Lebo no so yanti o. Aha, lebo no. Na ane mo juma pa mo di pa kwasinsia ene ni aba afia mankwa. Na no pa de on say maba de still chairman maintain chairman na kwasi Augustus and this regional chairman. Papa Ashanti region wa boy juma boy ye maintain no. Na MC o kwa abre amankwa. Mamenchia na juma wura. Akwasi ene 2 p.m. Mera huye papa hwese nkura amokọ intako agwake saade we se ya nhwe ne ya nka ho asem a etasi pa school bi okuma ha na school bi so obo ase saa ne ma we etakoso ye besere security services nkura no se ball no anasa america no mokọ na se bia ye the police fo bekọ akogu ho for mu safety a ebeboa because he say student back he nkra to agu ni so back ni so lucky he o ko tie ni no God being so good say ni ti no ene fam ko hia ya ko be pra no etie be sere yie say o mo ko inter ni e hwese ntokwa ni sa ne ma we be ko so na say bi ya be mo mo security services ama o ma garden nkra no a eye better say ko hia kra we ya
2 p.m.
ya
da saka wana ni di hu hia no be me na ye mo ache
ya mini aba afia mu kwa tamakru oba son no sister ofiria mfa nka ho akweze bi ya bokore
ya mi Adom saka
ya mi ase bidiane saka wana medin hu hia me kase free asenkregwa ama viewers akwasi
saka
isa manya moto accident onji mi chefie den
kafra
wana na wutwia na
na mi tiachire ya mi Adom minema mu minahu na etinga kra but all the same gusonga kra
yambesa ya
mu hwa mu hudi mu se helmet no mi
ya dafi akwesi ne ofiria aka me kan say sa interku na omukwae no na hwe pamwa no di no akwa ba ko ndi se ofiria nkwala no mba screen so no yefu manimo yefu bi manim Argentina GS omun ni peace for no omun kamum ni ankichi sankwala no say
yam former Congo Gumkrana. Yam former tomb forever. And I say be 2 years and I say 4 years crana. Yam pen make a clan yam from inside.
Okay.
No one can say adapt people no who say, hey, next time how you see that say near BMU. It's a free a milk with the Mamicha Mammy Bako. Yeah, that's the friend upon Florence.
Okay.
Which are power. I think the ground.
I was a police for.
Yeah, police for so and no pay the cat about say or much as here she would have 7 beer.
And you're for fraud.
There won't be an objection.
And you're for fraud. Cancel one. My uncle Ben when you beba cancel ho. Benjamin Peprano pay your watching. Hey, now what take? Yeah, okay.
Oh, me two catch cry. Once I see me from me, me two catch.
Okay.
I could see something condition.
Yeah, me adum.
She said, "Yeah, but I fuck with you no. You best have been putting for say, na a year to practice na. Omo ade bia cocoa prices no money gas in kakashin bia it your phones bit me afan na omo tumi kiti na bia kama madam asum ya
yes so that's pa Ben
akisi me wo zoom bebe na ya mu ache
ya sister Fia na me anim ni se o won tade na ho afa da bia so bebe zoom na se na die aya na mo se kiss me pekasa anya na me pekasa o die fa kwasi aya o gina me kan de asem na o mapoma tade o mode Ghana konfra a gugu me kan de asem e na pa mi po se ye nya ba won kokkan kura asem o fa kwasi won fa mi nya na me ko ma asem so na fa kwasi kan sister Fia atade o mapam straight ma he be do de la na akoto ni wait na so twema ba na sisi mu o di ahe na mo se ma me nka
kawasem
na adana message obi say wo kwa akum no obi kwa akum ya the rest na kwa akum ko dia bro free ball ya dia bro free ball na ko empani bo say wo dia go to po abura ebi fi wo na ho am say me am see oda bo brata samu abrefo hey me am see oda bo samu obe aduma papa
asapole
sister Fia asema wo kan a wo sin tekwanke entwam no ba bi wo die wom ofa kwasi die na wo ka sanke entwa ba bi wo die wom na deti na emiye ntwam ofa sister Fia oba akofo so tuminika ono na di nkunim enti se nyina kambom na se yebo ntako na ebe me yahu ni papa na se praise papa omo oman mu na me problem ni se ku kwala ya oman kwala boni so mo ko tie mu se sia aho na obenya se oba tan bi beba na me nsuru mo na me bayo ni nyina so ekebi enya enya omo eye ku kwala ba ye na ke ma mra di omo anko bi nko ye bi nti mesra ye ma mra na eni omo akisi me ne makra
but here I say
o papa Christian so aba Christian no pay ye mo ache
meje mo so sister Fia no fa se na mo ho ye de
nyame ade ho ye pa
wo fa na unu abema na kwesi ye
bene mi hu asa kwa ben ka chere kisi ni ame ko ka to me be ma buru na mi ko bi en so e ha no eh ya le February en dia buru aya petra na maye say I dey say me want a number can make video di attend say mama Florence mera o na me nkyere no ayi kama I think you move here life you
wate
Christian gwa
wate aka beka efa students no dey akoso no ano den ye time nyina inteko intazona tie nyina yekubi say incident we ebiansi school ba ko pere na e ha agene ene ne wo kuma se hwa o mo pere na e ha agene ba this say yenti o mudi kra biem yenti o mudi biem tie 3 students no o mo nya abotre nti ase bi na anya adwuma eye kasa yesre o mo ma bibia anye boko mayen madam ase
yes we da say Christy era se pa
yan kwa chan ho ba pa on so be zoom obet o phone no so e da bro no na wonya zoom ye o e chan no pa ye mo ache
Middle, if you are, you do so.
I don't know what to say. Oh, Adom, you're here. Well, I know you.
If you are not to say.
You're here, pa, until who are phone, so young castle, until who TV.
You're ready.
Yo.
You, let's say,
Where fache.
Yanko bafo ho zoom. Bafo no fe ye motin.
No pedo, minyaba bafo we create her men say ni. Mi butu Eastern region na chema prade amun twam fa ho na mran media fo be hu manage TV so. Okay, you na festival be invite me no ma ba.
Yo,
ya bafo e beba.
You all white party be no every year Christmas dia you be invite me. I na head the papa am ready na nyankran kwa ai. Yo no be fia na me kan ye me de me kan NPP asem Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Baumi ayede na eko na me wo how ba kumienu Ashanti region Eastern region yato abapa Greater Accra yato abapa na mum eba presidential candidate ye yini pa no na yin or the same send running meter aya MPP mesre wom yemfa ya ni hwe say yesi Ashanti region Eastern region nti America sa ni say Ashanti region for to about to send vote to Obama NDC wo mo fa ho so be running mate Africa ana MPP Ashanti region omo to about to say Eastern region fa ho so be running mate but omo Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Baumi akọ race no ye hwe mu bi na se obi osefata se Kennedy ne sefata se Duchum ne sefata se doctor
ya champion ne sefata na for somba
Yate.
Yanko mai cha ho wasaba park. Mame ye nase yentie o.
Fia medamase. Ne mo bu apre mu ji. Anu ko so kam ho pa we siesie mo bibia nkoyi. Na me se school fu no. Tede me baba ko ne kan no. Saa ne se aban mu mpanyefo. Wo mu ka bi wo mu no mo ye. Se school fu no ko ba bi saa. Akodi dwuma bi saa. Ese o ma police for edi o machi na nkura no ma so den nkura no so den pa ntini so de America ho asem na
da se
pa
yanko zoom afoforo nso aba papa ya mwachi o
yeah
na udini de se wa
na mo le me kasa so for
God pa so yentie o
yeah me kasa fi US but me pesa be cabrofo.
Yo mpacho.
I just want to thank God for everyone's life in Ghana and also just ask you to let me just ask permission for within 1 minute of my time so I can be able to just advertise my church, Breakthrough Miracle Ministries, here in Atlanta, Georgia. Would that be okay?
Pacho, yetie wo papa. Na wo church there. Yeah. Next time no be advertise. Sabredi people online so adaroma. So you can just mention the name and where it's located. What border dampo.
Breakthrough Miracle Ministry.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to talk about the guys that were fighting, the little guys that were fighting. I just want to say that it's not very good for kids of that caliber or that pedigree to be fighting and trying to beat one person.
Okay.
I know what it takes to be tortured or abused or persecuted. So when I see people being beaten or people going through stuff like that, I really feel for them.
Okay.
So thank you. I want the police to be able to...
So forgotten. Eras nyamenshraw.
Asokra wiki mu de kasafa family planning.
Okay.
So bia beye. Efia ye na moa, nchesa onso ye a emoa. So sheda call provider no ho. Wa kyerɛ you should back mienu be 3 months amfa go back no mo nkyerɛ ye ni san komo na moa te sa be wie mema ne bubo fu saa na ade o ya na wo mi wanye wa na onyem na wo ye enipa mienu ade na ye ayiwe create confusion wa busua mu pa wo bebe na o ye mmere so ati ase nti ma mo mehwe hu ye te sa be hu oba bi pa hu ne kuna asa ne ba wawo mo aye mmere te o se family planning no ye ka ho asem obi ye na mo a onye ono ntieti odi obi ka tie na wotwe mu nkomo yi 5 minutes ye nche ye kwaba enen some mu akwaba do Badwam TV Badwam dwumadie a ye frɛ no health tips aha ne edi nkomo simanum bia dwara de kosi fiada e wa pomudi mu na wotwe mu ye kasafa family planning eho ne nti a ehia se wo ye family planning ho emfasode a ewo kofo bebre wadwen efa family planning ho bedu na wo twena wie ye bewie no obeto ho ase na se wonya bi a wetu anamo na so wakọ aseda na endpoint from your party clinic na daroma eno boye chidoma ya bewura kolebua yenye oba pa Frederica Crunchy our senior midwifery officer ewo Kolebu Teaching Hospital oba pa yemo akwaba that's see about from what you saw family planning they don't some do so family planning they can family planning na eno
so family planning there you can say just ni obey ya ode be planning with family ni obey ya ode be decide say na opese wa wo no si etumi fa e be a time a opese wo kola dodo a opese wo infie dodo a opese wo de to mba ntem and na say onwo biom so na obey ya ni se na emba pen bebre no omunyi du baby na say ni se no mo pese beba biom a afei yene yekonomu di mpema agokwa na ye adwen ho na afia na epia na wo ho beba aka chebi o sa de ne de enti se ye family planning na ya eboa se na be anyama bi se no ndwen ho betimi a relax betimi a na be ya problem bi a emba
enti se na tenenso ye kasa wo ho bebre sa ro because ade e beboa me ankasa time am pesa me have fun metimi anya ma me pesa me wo metimi anya in between yes am pesa penidi ansana wa sana family planning e wo homa ti de ne kasa bebre ba mate say family planning ye wona ahodo ye wona how many times
ahodo ni de wo mo bebre so ye wona natural types and ye artificial natural no ye more like ubehu will cycle time a we safe time a we safe now the who time a obetimi dey sex but e bia wona advantage ni disadvantage natural na very effective sir because the way who cycle ni year e betimi fail say bia bibi sisa wo body nim na say cycle na sisa pe asembeto one kind ni so a bebe na use na na akofa ho na
ko we no person oba
so ni so the calculation na nko yi and your artificial one ye nia ye use your body nima edeboa preventing using and they are much more effective because and only they are shedder for a particular purpose until a year ne was say yes and be an ember until your pills ayefa your injection ayewo your additions you will be quite a little within and no more move bio mo ye show some move bio quite me try wopo I won't dream who pobio. Ye try what they no no. I no put the insurance and cast away fun plan because yeah, they no chess I won't dream who pobio won't buy hospital by a and natural no near ye member no more your motion say the whole beba no two if you won't tell me hey pull out so I no see a natural but
it's me BT
a BT amount for them
say Sadia econo cement no on way fast.
Inti no ne ka no pre-cam no. Ensuo na eba ansa na ne sane na kasa no eno na ya na sometimes sperms kakra wom inti eba as lubrication which is necessary. But ebeba no so no na kakra fra wan hwe ya
if you want where you were ni
they also say hey be ma bi odi no hu di aba catch us me my pull out game is on point so be ha ne say the girl in using and ani you
in say no be ku
ai
so mo hu ba hu
yo
so no na ni pull out na
game look
Senya me adme betwa so Frederica Crunchy na yene le di nkomo senior midwifery officer wo Kolebu Teaching Hospital ti family planning no nti we pa de yake e di nti na wo mo ho ban unwanted pregnancy no ani say wo ade so pa di so mpesa obewo nti wo be de nti e de obi ka e ho nsam ni nyina ni bebusa na wo twi ye beka ho asem endpoint homeopathy clinic nti any edin kobai 0244867068 what's now kwa wodi wo ha ebetwa so ade asepa na 23rd adumura edasio bibi ade na bedro ye na endpoint homeopathy clinic ase na daroma ne de health tips no ebaye o yare nko ade afo ni kire hoyi enadwo dade kosi memenda 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. endpoint ye adwuma branches ni nyina bie kwana ko check o scan no emema no prostate no ko ye scan ni free lab de obetua bi emanso infections se hawadua yenkwa endpoint ho ko hwensenchene ni a wo ye wo stroke ho se bi bobo ba fa ne bra betenete ama hode aye odia 0244867068 endpoint homeopathic clinic now they know the enkomo enshoma yes strength enkranish dodo season 8 no ya started da audition no akoso watakrade weekend so Kumase True Vine Hotel na soni so kachire ngramu ya dio na jese tetenwum nkoa omu ma mebre so ko omu nkai west so nkra be to ne kama na omu ya de 8 to 14 tizesi edru Greater Accra de no ebekoso wo Mikado Conference Center memendei na me ya domwa to abofra 8 to 14 years onim nyom to enwum wafa na la so fa ne braye fa ne bra na bibia ntumi enkoso Lavons tomato mix one wonder roma and yede instroma season 8 no eba Franco Trading Enterprise Young Vita 3P garlic capsules Kivo Nisi Pharmacy Syntex tank and pipes Ready Vitamin C City Black Tonic Minata Breakfast Boutique Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic and a Standard Water one ene aboafo also yasema yetumi ede audition no eba yakota krade yabekumase anyame yadoma ye ba enkran ti se wo abofra bi oyade anwum tuomu dia na wo de no aba enadwoda no pay die ehuma so no afefefo bi timanim ha e ba bedi nko tie ni bi se bibia ye simple de ohia ne nsuo wawie ne die kra me kan so hu de me pachire enti me wo Westco Company Limited one day Obagari Soakings Miss aba enti Rosemony Quenesta nie ena Benensu nie fefe kama madofu me mu ache na bia bokode yes Adom mo ho efe say esa nka mo me shirt bi na nka mo so me de aguso na say afa ana yes aveve e bro bi oba de enima ne opa oba spaghetti ya ne enima ene sa no pa mahu so kisi nti we kwa no esa nka mo kana mato cap de mi ya ne cap ni su nka ma message ni sesi e de nya no ano no as my can asem na wi nti me fan free Rosemont so na what dance here kakra say Obagari mix
Obagari mix adifo fra ye de buy jas ba kama na odia obedi saa
kama kondo de mi ya ne bread am de account na se me bie kra
esa ne se 4 in 1 bibia wo mbi
self contain yo hia ne cup ni so next time come face so ntaro ho na se wie ya
onya cold water bi na odi awona obedi saa
aya de ani so na memra Quenesta ho no nche before in 1 ade ne die ne wo mu
me pa cho 4 in 1 se ka se Obagari 4 in 1 na ye wo gari no nkatie milk any sugar and I sugar no say wo from udia when you beji obedi ni say very creamy anu so ye de o ka wa no de no ano no
ye de bia ukakuphe
bia
no amemra benehoy no so fie mfamo enti akoba ni say no makandari wo mu granite wo mu sugar wo mu na milk no so eka ho enuane no be na wo mu a udi a ebetumi aboa wo ye pa
ade ba ko wo mu ebeboa wo ye say say sugar no na you say sugar ha ne pa na ya ni such a way say who diabetes so just say we obi on pay sugar we betumi edi
okay
because sugar no wo for all you need is ensure na we the befra no and obehwe content we obi a wenum ye wuda na wa hwe ensure ni content so we obi so on pay sugar no so na wa hwe wa add ensure no you get it as you want
said the wow peno what can you see enkrofo rush like omu pebi e de agu on so to mu sebeya eja omo area mu ofo so ebehu because ye ni mu with spaghetti it is mo gari but the said the spaghetti me yaji tumbu no ye sure say sa na we so te
sa o say oba so de ye unique ye product no so de ye de ba ye make sure say wonya bibia wo product
no we
debi enti ya hwe say ye wo say gare no wa wotumi ye bi wo fie enti aye ne te say fie de pepepe wo hwe gare no wo say ni ye fe kama e na say aroma na ewom na kasapo na ebe kon wo bie so a now why
here first obi esi epese de ye nko ho kaka o hwe ye wie ya mede ba akora ya mama rich mama make up na manya one touch I have to dispenser na ye adwuma no manya we will chill water we are say pa na unya bread eti why na also odibie why na also to bi esi e make us a Rosemond
mpacha ye nuan mo wo school omotimi to be omo wo market we dey e komo obia odi gare no ye dey ebiaba yesi omo kan hwe na omudi a ombedi sa
no kasa che mate for ne driver for omo hotuma yo omo tisi mani mesi for no me aso omunya bishop pocket
omunya bishop pocket and also the two car na ni mana o bag mu unya free time bia o pe o chilled water be kan wa no
katie wom sugar wom
bibia wom me kai say e ko e promo ma me bi say min di gari da me we ase amaba o ba fo mama di gari afili enti omudi ombe fili papa
so we dey un say grip
oni ma dia
so me no matter so my family level na me say ha no my family level but say e bia market women bi hwe e bia obi aye no store bi o hia dodo no so he na e benya bi
ye na man that spring no so nti wo frɛ ya na ya what take it from there ni boss wo from eno pe na e de no ni bo from shape other products
price they the same wo ba bia na say
they be uba obia ni quantity a wo pe
me ka se bia ye to no ba ko no ahu
ba ko say de ye betumi dia amount 4 cedi
Your supermarket o meto me voice
no
nti ende ene bi enim onipa na nenim ba mo nyere so sabe ye betimi ato 5 cedis fair
but box price ne 135 yes 135 for the box ti wa wo to a won say shemu endu 4 cedi
me kura metimi ato we ma beto ama halfway
the boy 20
force mo very
the papa gari we di a
we dey baby
sister they say ti e dia ba ne mo bia ka he no and I start chrome so no bi o taste bia say mo gari e fine
package ni so afo
sister gari bia ka de o mo de o mo ni ebie o oba for there so yeah the new oba gari mix and I dey buy those so we are 125 grams
see I me I did bread be count there you are good to go
it's very nice
yen so mo bia
yeah we obia office so student obia ebia wo call lunch why busy wo pe bibi fast edi we bo wo nsu ana so wa check wo fridge where you with chilled water and no na wo dey go so na wadi
once we try no
come
they only need so
ne cup any soup is it some ye bi to ho nti e fire self contained yet a bus mu create me sa je school for no ne hia mo e na mo abo aba time na pa those days wo kwa fena be penido wo be pe sugar and na wunya we mu em se to aso be 10 me bo wunya be 2 20 una okre
na boss nse shemu 40
wow muma yanko hwehwe bi ya sure say supermarket ni bugo be
o ko CMB o kan shema ashama madina takra de kumanse wo be bia into supermarket so ko Shoprite Melcom China Mall Panda Mart supermarket obia ye wo be bia no ani se wo borawa ka se wo hwe oba gari mix 4-in-1 eno a obenye bi wo
okay ya mun kan tra mo boss na e ko school fo bi wa mo bi no
me pa cho yo
amon fa no tra no ana maka no
me pa cho yo
me ba bo awo mo ya ba no bi nkra me a addition simple mo o ma di mu bi e kom do mo aka be no ode ne na bi mo ba onya self contain bibia no especially awia sa mo di bibia be yo okay bibia mo ho madam wa ya me say out a yenti
Oh, I think say senya muhu ye free oba. Oba spaghetti ye na ye diaba. It's more product we so kroma. Eye oba fo no mo diaba. It's mo jintum senya mo ji oba spaghetti ni tum no mai no. Esremo we enye kasa bebre wa koto bi ne ka wa no hwe. Wa obedi adanse say oba for product no mo diaba no eye papa. Et say fie gari. Ah wa mix wanya wo nido, wanya wo groundnut, wanya wo sugar. Inti wodi how eye papa efie gari mix na ya ma ono ye da mo ase
enso ye da mo ase ana ho so wo bibi Alberta
gari bianca dem
wakele ade gari bianca dem okoni slow no dia wo ti gari bianca dem no wan waka no package no so fe
ye da ase
so small wo de wawie so again wa siri ni na tikuni go bi da was papa aha ti ye no madaruma bo aha ye no maye bo aha ye maye sisi na ye nkomra odaruma na ye kai wo sesiko sika seat match jackpot no baso den twa na wo bedi seat match obi benya 5k ahye no ho go fu sika na bagana for inti siko sika yedi Ghana manti yedi seat match na obi so enya sika na ode ekodi fie omo che 30k 300 million OCD no ena wo de ma seat match nipa 5k ti de hia ni so betwa na wo hwa Adom TV uti Adom FM uti Asampa uti Hira Muchogu bo hwan sa wo number na ya pick here na onso wanya mo ebie by 4 p.m. day no wa hyase enti dial *281 hash *281 hash wo all networks option is 6 ucha 10 cedi temakunkum ni ekejwa na nkasa ne san Sokoban Fantino omu ne gina mu hwan so wa we ne big siko sika ositwa na obedi edwada ba bia C4C liver specialist aba ni ebekasa Dr. George Siama Jr. edani babidi enkomwe anopedi complications of cardiovascular diseases enkomo eno ni eba be fem do ye mo akwaba ebi abokodi top nenya bad that's it yeah that's it cardiovascular disease
yes
condition be
Sefia whether was na yada ohwefo so ase ye ka cardiovascular disease de ye kenyina ne se ye nipedia no ye wo cardiovascular system na cardiovascular system no ye say ye made up of your blood no your blood vessels and akoma na nkasa enti akoma no so de o se abribia no epompe enti ebo a na epushi moja no so o se nante in a path enti eno ne blood vessels na moja no ebefem no ye hia se moja ekọ adwen ni mu ekọ ntin ni mu ekọ nipedia kwa ani nyina eno nti se oba kra efefura in the first 3 weeks na akoma ewo akwala no aform dada ansa na ma menu kura mpo ehu se bi wa fefuru nti a very important system man yankopon di amaye si enu medura your blood vessels na special receptors na won say gi eduro no na edi eduro no nante ansa na eduro no timi akobe bi akwa ye ejuma nti se o how bi ebeto sa system na eboa ema moja timi nante wa bra moja carry nnuane ahoden oxygen nutrient ahodo a be feed adwene ne ntin mu nyina no o how bi basa system ni mu a na chese yakasa wo cardiovascular disease na misrew World Health Organization mayeti asese yare a eji nipa nkwa eye chronic condition me kire kwankwa yare a eji nipa nkwa pa no de edikan eye cardiovascular disease obi bebi say na ebiti said dey Sefia your hypertension eye cardiovascular disease kai say akoma no bo a ewo say pompi moja sa moja no a akoma no de eba no ene wo say 95 blood vessels mu nenso pressure na akoma no use no say ano odin a say blood vessels no ema blood vessels no mu tissues no start say say in a long term etimi kofa or how bebre eba empo ye nipadua no ye wo adipose tissues wo. If your adipose tissue fat storing tissues enti fat bebre ba wo nipadua no mu a eno na be store amaye enso ebi wo ha na fat na do so no na yegusu a ye ne o ma fat ne ba no wo de ene say eat sleep repeat udidi a na wada na wasan ato aso onya exercise bia onya anything na be ma endurance be boa wo nipadua no be ma energy level no akosra na fat na bani a obohu sa adoso na afi ebu afaso ectopic fat deposition na ba be ye anwa wo moja no bebre eno no to me block your blood vessels no ema akoma no bo excessively no so kire say akoma no bo bro so more than the normal way ntubo we say what ho na akoma no bo na woti wa wasum enso akoma no bo ai ni kwan say woti wa wasum science e kire o say BBC akoma no adwuma no kwan nti wo say wo hwe blood vessels no ana wo hwe akoma na nkasa empo wo hwe omuja na nkasa kai infections ahodo ba ni pedua no mu na ye ntimi entreat ni ye a ebe systemic systemic a etimi ma omuja no ye take stasis moja no ntimi nanti in a long term ema akoma no bo excessively and also so kofa or how the betoni pedua so these are some of the major things in general ye cardiovascular disease any what are cardiovascular system so
my own signs and symptoms say ya me hu bibisa metu ho anamo.
Signs and symptoms of cardiovascular disease in pain bebre no a silent killer and dane din chiro and into your body rose check up at least once or twice in a year. Your check up no who status who state who circulatory system no who how are ejuma fa bibia be ejuma ye wo ni pedua no ma ehia moja it is silent killer ba ko pan no mouse science bia but ebi wo ho na ebeda bibia di a kire wa etimi ma wonya palpitations na chesa akoma no bo a oti ewo wasom etimi ema oti paa no bebre wo ho a frontal ana say occipital oti ko no bebre bisukura etimi ma weni so echinwo ema weni so kura so ye wisi bebre ema enna ho ye de o stress level etimi kosoro nti o how no so say o stress level e kosoro no na o produce more of the stress hormone na sa stress hormone no so ema o blood vessels no e kan abomu more nti we are some of the signs and symptoms etimi kura ma sebi onsa ayetitriti because unya good blood circulation constipation kura timi ba because unya good blood circulation when you know unya diplopia vision no be double idea be hu no one but we say bebre when so these are some of the major signs and symptoms are cardiovascular diseases etimi edeba
complications so
say many aba ma me mama papa who signs and symptoms ya bossy na we into ho anamo mesrew or how kese pan say lead to CVA cerebrovascular accident stroke adrenal benya accident e pa chaw adrenal accident vascular dementia ba na chese a refree beton so bebre o refifi ni o ma bebre o bronchus area no e benya problem e ho so na boy wo ye kasa nti bo say speech be ye bled and sled bebre ebi so kra o ha onya hemiplegia ofa tumi adwojo ema empo eka woni pedua ni nyina onsa eye titriti bebre kai si ye wo akola foforo na ekomode na ontimi nkasa se ekomode nti ya na osu saa na ntin no so te se ekomode na so wonya nutrient na wo se moja no de mani ni ye a no no so start se osu ni su no se na eye titriti one mind when fee no ape obon so ho ano no adwojo na afi ofa adwojo na ba be bedre no wa kampem Mr. Kidney problems so to me ba because of cardiovascular disease akoma no ene ye kidney ye ejuma bebre enti say ye nhwe yakoma ni ye a kidney no so ye very hungry organ opemoja ti ya nhwe ni ye a ono so to me ya problem ema ensio kra no start say age na ye ni pedua me pa chawo Mr. say baby a wo bia no mo wapomodin ho ehia o how bebre o ho de na so be yare pe na wo how nyina ya ba akope Mr. but modern hwehwe C for C liver specialist echira kwan Adom nti ye all over Ghana and to some extent some part of Europe ye de draw one waso abejesu ye friend liver to na me say but modern na ma onsa enkebi number me de ti dwe no ofre a 24/7 yebejo so na ye no edi enkomo ye branches ahodo bebre no so Central Region, Cape Coast, Green Hill opposite Addison Square Garden. Aguna Odoben so branch kese pa ewo ho Accra ha ye wa Denta SDA Junction. Kumase ejo so kwa Mojache Junction na ewo mesel. But more than a number in a friendly place you order for Liverpool. More than one ubenya a special discount. Na free delivery no so gusu aye ejuma. Number no 050 00 40 331 050 00 40 331 and now 050 00 40 328 050 00 40 328. See for liver specialist hospital here. So brebo eya won kwantikai na hye so na kai say ya GN ni di GN treatment plans ni di tina abiri bi ka say once treated forever treated and pay yada will be biaste.
Yeah, so yeah, that's see for liver specialist now you say one and kano Mr. Obede no shani na fa de what's all the kaho. Farmer Trust for any Farmer Trust Limited for ejumaku a wo nro ahodo nyina bie na ye wo Value Vite ye Value Vite UK Limited for ye boy empa samfuni peduane mu ye wo Value Man, Value Woman, Osteolife, Platinum Plus, hair, nail and skin, Beauty Plus, Omega-3 fish oil, Immune Life, Antroflex Plus, and Menocare. No way na no ewo ho a niema woni pedue no emu Luma Trust edrone de tatashe se malaria pa na hawadwen Luma Trust for the show to me na unso kokope bi enom mpanifo ne nkra de nkra no suspension wo ho baby vite drops and ne syrup unso eboa ma motofo no nyine kama fi vitamins ne minerals no wo mu kama ma nkra no wo mu nyine ho femu se wo hwe misisi wo pain mu obabi yo ya pa de a neurodol gel eno na uhia say be betumi aboa ma pains bi a wo go through no eno so yi no e de free ho ye wo bioglobin syrup ne capsules so a ma iron vitamin B12 folic acid so ewo mu nti obi a wotaka say moja so ate no onya bioglobin syrup and capsules ne bia eno so tumi eboa Transol 400 eno so yedre ku etia so di pedue de bia no no phone so nya Transol 400 ne bi enom no amabobo so nyine pharmacy ne pharmacy shops ahodo ni nyina no so ebi ewo ho no so ubenya ebi ato ti kokope wo de ewo ho ti yento aso yemfa be de ne mfamu ana se madaroma mekwaba era se yemu akwaba biem Adom TV bedwam na uguso hwe no na medofo asaba no pe obapa memo ache bia boko de mo last week who cheche ni memu minim se wo mo adi so o ma fa fa no akama ba de achi bia nipa foforo benti oda masafa ye mfamu biem ni ehunu nro na wadwama so ene de ye
meda se ebusia mema mo ache na mada Fiasi na madam nyina mo asise anope mo anya bra mo hwe ye me fi Pension Company Limited and ano kwada na me no mo ha twetwe nkomo for Sevens Vital Herbal Mixture and the capsules one capsules from kwa ebojuma pa ene mixture na yakaboma juma suna edie na nyasem kwetwa na etom me bi oho no ma obi beka se obekasa ye no wan kam ya de ene ntina ya na ye de number no so tudwa na wo screen so na wa frɛ se ne ha obia wo ne ye betwetwe ho nkomo ne nya adaje so akyekyew mu eto de bi etena ha nye ni nyina na ye ayetimi ka ene nti number no so wo ho so be frɛ na fe ye nyemu nkyeremu e de amount Yeka Semens Vital Herbal Mixture and the capsules are ye bibi do ya ye ding haba mani nubra ayere ye ho a yakeka bomo na afensu ye di bia ye powder ne di bia ye nsu a di dwumaso no woni peduane ma enya asem ketewa na sa herbal mixture ne capsules yade ahodo bebre na ye sanse do ya ye no kwan sonko so a eye ntini mu adwuma eno nti ade bia ye ntini mu yade eye wo nerves na hawo afei na entim ma ho entim sisi ho so no o fe do ya ebeboa na ye nim se ka ntini mu eniema se ya eye de honam ya wo sisi yade ekika se me ha na me jonku ni ade na ne nyina mu no bo hu ni se kakra na ahem yakofa awi ko de bi na no so ye wi a akofa ya foforo de abre yen eno na yanka se mpanyimfo de ne matoto akwan mu e de se do ya ba se e ba na onoma ama side effect no ena na minimu di nkoma afa se obi o ho na sisi ye ne ya na se me kan fidie se wo fa edro na wo sisi ya de na nkwa wo de bra me yanka sa me de sika ne be ma wo na bra na be ju sika ba ke na fa edro ne bra se sisi ya de na wonfuru dua bi e mo ho na wo sisi re buo na nya ntoa cha se onum ya na cha se wa start ya wunya ahomeka nkasa eno echi susu ba obu ne nsa ede ya oba ne de no ene ba chena ema ade cha yese eno susu ya ade edi hudwuma papa ebeyi ntini mama ya wona wote ne nyina afiri hwakro eno echi susu ebeboa ma na ba kwan ya wase eba so wode 28 days ana wode 31 ana 32 days eba ne sa pepepe eba ne sa oba etimi bo ma calculate aha na ye me felt time aha na ntisa ema awo ntisi mi hihye so se eba ne na otwe me na aba eba moja tu bro so a ebe mo ya anemic tembia na mano aye hoya eno ti wo hia cement vital herbal mixture ene ne capsules the one no bi se na ebe ye betimi aboa pa ena no me kwa nkrofo frɛ me ememe frɛ ye na ye busa me se yes wo ya agan ye dro ye eye adwuma pa na bo mema ho mema gina wona so ye pa me se an ebo adwuma pa kwana kofa bi na ejai nru nketenkiti bia no kwan so ahwe ye chena bi no akofa ya de fufron so de abro we ye yankasa ye de ya eboa mema gina brane pa nya asem ketwa na sada metwa so me so fa number na was screen so me bobo to na frɛ ye number na 0244 718557 0244 718557 and 0241 604 702 0241 604 702 and then me pese me no din komo kitwe bi efa kokoyade ho eye pals kokoyade na me nem pese me no ka ho asem sa yade yade bone pa aye ntamfa ya adwe enkoso bebre be yade bone obi a me no ka se watena se na wachia ne to enso obechia ne to a ompa no twesibre menim papa bi ade de baaye afi no oda ho ontimi ntena se entigi se woda butu ho na na yiri de adura keka so ema wo de ne nduru sa abre no ema ne nduru sa kra kohwehwe cement vital herbal mixture ene ne capsule se cha kwan na fefe bi na mwawo na sa ade na sebe wo nerves na ayemre na amomo jabe gire mu apie be ma sebe wo woto ano ho sebe uja wo na ya na ai so ba sebe obu ni nsa no me so ye nyimfiri ho na ansha na ochene bi no akofa ade bone woni se koko ya ade bone a sa wan hwe ne ye bedu ba bi ni se esi sa atokro na no kwan na wantimi anja wo na age se bia ye kotwitwa wo eno so kwa enye guarantee ya de bone papa enti se wo de na sha ase ne se wo yam na ato na ate kuru kakra wo na wo yam atim kakra fe wo ya na se ejana na ne se prepares anu pa mo fa ncheme asem bi o aya edika na ni moja na diswa eba mesro hwehwe cement vital herbal mixture ene ne capsules e chakwan na emo na nyi sa ha ne nyina mfiri ho wo de na fifie pie era wo inside what pe na ya ka moate ana wankasa wunim se ye kokoyade na ha wo de a ene hwe ye chakwan omen mu shop bia babaram bia herbal shop bia oni bia na afi na waba ene na ka chense ombeji bi na onton ana obetimi afre yen number ide go screen ni so ya mababa chewi na afi wa frɛ yen na ya kyerɛ bia obenya bia to na wanya bi e de asiesie wo ho Enwechi Penson Company Limited ye wo pre-care natural powder ye ka pre-care no say pre no ye de pre-care na say ye de aka ho na sa natural powder ye de haba mane ahodro aka ho na ye de sa powder no oba pemfo a ye so moja so ate ya ehu pa menim say Stefia de ono ne apemfo de say 5 and 6 or ya dear palm say we do what you find me yere me ho hwe pa enti oni apem for there say de ni ko ho pa umoja so tia ya ha adwen na afa na ye ka so obi metena chire na hwa na ye si umoja ne ade me pa cho ko hwe preke na fa ebia o ma bi papa bi o stroke and so diabetes ne pressure cholesterol me pa cho preke yi bi na so ya wo de agu nsuom na wanom na magic ya ne say wo ka preke no na wo fa cement vital herbal mixture ene ne capsules ni bom na ofa ye djuma sonko enya sem keto akra ebo adwuma enkankan ne mema mo pese mu gina mo na so ebo adwuma ne titiru man panyimfo a monye dumu fie so nti mu ntini no aye mbre na moto asentini twem na ese mo asiateka ebo adwuma pa eno ti se obi so ho no ma wo diabetes ameka ho asem ya eno so eboa irregularize wo sugar no ema bibia da na kwan so kama pa so yesu sugar na hwiri akoduru so mo mu ne wade aprekesiti me ye ne asade haba mo ne bia wo no na se this man dwuma so no pa anya asem keto me pa shop etufo ebekọ okanshi drakling obenya dodo na etu ya number no biem 0244 7185557 0244 8718557 person bono mako na otimifa 0244 7185557 ana 0241 604 702 0241 604 702. A Penson Company Limited, Men's Vita Herbal Mixture, and in the capsules, and our face so pre-care natural powder. Sister Fia, made us.
Yes, yeah, that's a powder panya Michelle. You say I'm here one next week. You better say she won't. Panambano bibiche wajia na when won't eating combo. I never ma quine na young common dear see. Me dear fear among qua tamaklo. I was a pay it was so.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Nshoma All Stars. Let go.
I've been working all this summer, getting my bread out and shit, moving from place to place, from plane to plane, spreading my weight out and shit. I've been doing this for a while, searching a better place for my life, straight from the resting. All we had was nothing. Yeah, there was zero in blessing. But I had blood in my eyes, fire on my head, survival plans full in my head. I was getting tired, but you make me wanna shop again.
Oh, give me the chorus.
And she said, if you see the light, remember that I was with you when you were lost and lonely, lover. Don't forget about me so soon. If you see this life, remember that I was with you when you were lost and lonely, lover. Don't forget about me so soon. And so it goes, and so it goes, and so it goes, and so it goes, and so it goes. And so it goes. See, this life is a no road. Every day hustle for the dough. On my road. Put my body, mind, and my soul. That's on me, I head to the top. But man, I be walking. Nobody will stop me. See, many people talk, many people do, many people young, many people talk, but I keep talking. Nothing really stop me.
Hey, me. What is it mean? But I will never raise.
See, my mind was silent. Yes, that was I didn't know. We are forevermore.
My must me dear grandma bet me out on you na Nshoma.
Yes, you're right.
Nshoma.
Yes, you're right.
Adom TV.
You are so good.
It's so good to have you all back. Mama Semamo. We are Nshoma All Stars. Many of more tina say, my fear more. I am be so much say more attack rather than a matter watch in May. Audition trainer when you war. Now I said 21st of February near Kokuma Months so I auditions near we are the ABC I won't cry. But the sister Sandy be a guy and I mean Nshoma season 6-7 winner me season 7 winner or hima Emily Nani and so see a season 7 finalist nibi but now we find on last but one finalist. It was I'm starting free Nani, how are you, darling?
Oh, please, I'm
me person me who engini na mo de kwan mo kwan engini no mo ngini and one me ko hu samzik zuba na me say dia metia na mo ngini na ne wuni ade adro na wo fa o ma me maka form a wo de wo kwi
pocho me fe du bia
na ngin
pocho
ho aye fe
pocho me dasi
great Bernardo we know the fear Any do original. Hey, who try best you count one? At the same Bernardo.
Well,
Life after Nkrumah, BBI okay.
Oh, BBI okay.
And come on, then you will video. And the winner is Ohima Emily. At the same.
Pache you.
That's why we no chance for front to butterfly. As I'm a boy, who mounts as to say, hey. My men starting come on free. I say, sad day na you bold. You know when he does so.
Pache Davio.
Now when in da. It's not what to say for front to no.
Pache.
But not feeling it to say. Still not feeling it to say.
Feeling dear. I am she shake a craft. He said season 18 so beba. Or sir, or rahin chenema pafufro odiho aoba.
But winning baby, in the history of Adom TV Nkrumah, you will always be part of the history books. So we're rahin channel the enfahon. But yeah, can't say why in raining Nkrumah season 7. Why didn't you ever?
Ohima Emily.
It's one say in channel by Robert Stowe guy.
Passion.
And see I am she bien ni honnom. Life after Nkrumah to say ni.
Nyame Adom TV bibi akọ kama. Bibi akọ yi.
Chroma for Life after Nkrumah has been 1 year down the lane. Still na ejinem and I say ma forget wo.
Ejinem pa
superstar ba akọ pe.
Passion. Ejinem pa omuntumi enjoy superstar efre.
Ajudi
we do the first.
Yeah, we are saying him akra. Aka Bernardo.
Your mom.
Your journey was quite sad. I think so 1 week to finals and you film.
Yeah.
And so when I am Akoso Royal Afikiko one kobi. Nani mukobi. One kobi. And I now tifie jamos yeah come and night when you be who came now nancy ho. Ne ya meboa.
Ne ya mum.
Ish. But we no obi ban Nkrumah dey futuo na do wa fe ode be ma no.
Oh. Asma me de be ma na ni say. Se oba.
Oba.
Onhwem na onye de obetumi aye. Na onye de wonimu bia na MP na afoforo nso hu say yeah we na mitumi ye. Senior obi nso wo mboa bia obe de ode be boa wo. Me ma ni mbohu. Me mbohu cause ade na wo ye no. Nyankopon so ka ho. Na vim ni so wo ha.
Bernardo. Na wo free mu no wa ho. Still no, I mean sure say exposure na unya chances bi ni ade meboa.
Bachan.
And what were some of them? Maybe needing.
Oh, nya chances bi to say Apatasi village. Na me ko hoda. But because of the instrument.
Yeah.
Na me Adom mako.
Sa places here baba ho. Maybe some Nkrumah baby Nkrumah dem call ya na money ndasa ha de medru hoda. Ebi ne hefa.
Afrikiko.
O de amudo. Afrikiko Riverfront. Ya be sa akobiem. Eti na wani nasa nka be ko baby sa baba Nkrumah na otimi call.
Passion.
Na he be Afrikiko dem say you be a favorite na he.
Belle's Beauty. Hey.
Ya nyom no kwa dey.
Belle's Hot Beetle.
Belle's what?
Beetle.
Oh my babies, I miss you so much. And I hear Fabian. You call baby bro. I hear Fabian.
Kasoba.
I hear Fabian.
Kasoba cuisine.
Mo kai kasoba nyom no.
Kasoba cuisine is here.
Woo.
Kasoba cuisine is here.
I see. We just Nkrumah expose papa. We went to all these places. Yako hangina and many more. So Nani, what is that experience? Ade na Nkrumah ye ma opa because we say we fear na usu. Yes, we wa na usu wa fe. Ade na Nkrumah, that's one thing na wokaya na wora ho say ye come on Nkrumah house ade.
Today na ebi ya ko rehearsals na ya ko feeling. The way na engage yourself if you TV na. Ma fi Queen see Little Angel and Cooper. Ma fi Obia Starboy.
Hey, Starboy wanna pose. Oh. And life after Nkrumah na to say ma wo shama honom.
But your baby are fine. Me ko register we nti. Me wie ya Nkrumah na me ko cho wasi.
That's utika. That's what ben. Now what for see upon ho. Oh, to be university. Abranka by name sanka ko form 2 near the na fe the for see university. And e wa ben mo me mana ben. Education is key. I see. School ben na person ko.
Ipeda me ko UPSC.
Oh, okay.
Another Legon.
Catch your penny for Abdullah Awudu Kobiation, Sarah Paris, Isam Yokuto. Casacho, Moya, dear Demo, Mombaya, Marcra, Cachomo.
Pacho, me peda me ko UPSC.
Yes, I saw and from my yen. I'm a boss, yes, I do me, my science here. Now, so, but then I pass away aside music.
Pacho, me pesa me a nurse and kakra at the front music.
Oh, and you'll be disco.
Me pesa me at Zedana Hamilton.
Oh, is she your role model?
Yeah.
Auntie Dinah, can be trained on also their family.
Auntie Dinah and Pacho, baby, I'll bet you send me to Numbia. No idea. No one like it. No more post it. No, I share me.
Dinah Hamilton, Nipa look up to. Your favorite role model. Name your man pana your favorite. I'll bet me out swama or no, I will share our Sibiguno.
The scenic genius. A scenic genius, I refer one nipa and Sadam and Payanasa, me ran free papa, I am me. A scenic genius, I refer one nipa. I dear Bakuna, Mr. Rennie say, me ran free papa, I am me a 1, 2, 3. I said me boom, coupon, koshamechi. Baby, I'm a free, baby, I'm a jury, or therefore. Why now to me anyway?
You may sure say your personal testimony because boom conquer her wachi. Baby, I will free no him Emily Wedra. May I sure say this is your personal asset. That's one. What find your money personal?
Passion.
Ya me be obey be bia dia. My na benado swear. Opa so we den.
I say me bought live band.
Opa so you Righteous Van Dyke.
Yeah, aside music.
Sir. I say live band so music.
A music yeah. Then so say as an artist.
Oh, the opposite or your live band.
Yes.
And to when your favorite artist?
Kwame Eugene.
Ah, and your favorite tune here, they would Kwame Eugene, your main your favorite.
Instagram.
Hey, took a craze, you mean the Instagram.
Yeah. You are on fire right now.
Title,
no. Way you make her come down.
I see.
I won't chase you, but if I chase you, maybe you go push me and make her fall down. So I ready for my corner right now. Admiring your beauty right now. It's the Sandy. You are the only fine girl I know. And my mouth no feet talk everything there for mine.
Hey.
The way you find my baby, you should never.
And it's all Bishia Kwame Eugene.
Yeah.
And also Nyadia Edding my cry. Okay, so Banshman, yes, I arrange on so one Safa Cosamia. Yabe, Nanny. I didn't have a way aside, so because UPS, you know. Then I pass away.
Graphic designer.
Oh, and they're singing. Then no quite over across being edge more multimedia. Oh, no pay. What there's some science here. Nurse and then a horn a double but and penny 40 CD. So life after in trauma. Mobaka say a ye. Yami Adom. May
ye.
I know by go back as in trauma in so much media mobile in a Badwam.
I shall boy pa.
Abwam
see our grandpa amaya more fame asanso hype here
one change na ba wasi witiri ho afan be hia wo se wa just say wo gangster wo ya guy anasa
oh guy there
who to change ya me to change who to be
forget ma
hey adio a guy wo him dressing go be gan jaws and ma many guys we are since mentete kwala na so mo ma ya guy say me but me penisa I'm here for it and I'm happy. Then I'm back at obi on so person oban so. So abo esipo kanga mo na buy. Mo nim so say baby him.
Yeah.
One is now right. Or say baby him. Or no was in my house on tikura. Or where you back or fine or say by you concert too. But who do you miss from season? Why pan wa fe no?
I said that
our best friend me wa.
I shine.
Na Bernardo also why no afeno from that season.
Boy and Abwezi Kopanga.
Because a camo mema me and sape. Oh, I don't know if you have there. I see. Nani, why no afeno?
Ani Cooper.
Oh, na mo de.
Pocho Davi.
Oh, but your group now you create and that's so inti.
Mati group e jame.
Ma de o ma yete no. You call.
Mr. Gazi. Master Gazi ho no meka group no. Mekra menya we say meka group be ho. I see. Enshoma.
Yes,
I road to Enshoma season 8 audition period na mu ne away. Now these are my superstars. Me ndi omo ho agron kwada ma me. Me man ma feel mu ye maka cho. Me chocha wonko ade a betwetwe nkomo. Eno na me superstar si. Enshoma season 7 Ohima Emily winner. Bernardo one step to final so free mu nani finalists ni na mu ede na mo beka mo final words na mo prepare nyama mo di beja me kwan yo o final words
the mechanic say in mofra omoba season 80 omunye asutie ma de omeka bia de ye be chom so munye enna wo so moye e mo munye ade fufura yen ka so munye na afin so omumbu ade pa we
adibu de hu hia me pa adibu wo mu ade na maji wadi adibu de me da se wasi honom Bernardo tie mu en
me so de mechanic say senior yes sister Emily Kaino oba adibu ndi hia but aside that so ye de wo mu no and de metai ka pa ye de wo mu na ye hu se ye we na oni mi ye ano so be bo.
So like it's more like do what you can, leave the rest for God. Yes. You know what I'm saying? For God. Yeah. Nani.
Pocho mama kanide se eroba audition na memfa isro nshow mu de o miracle misro o de audition team de epede obi ya hu ade owu mu na wotum mobo na nsuma so abai de obobo na etum akwechi na se even what for crown pa na se ko house kwa o de ebu ade na menum in so in win like no one water na sanana kuma ni ukasa o de tay na sam cause an no botum wa bo na etum akweni.
Correct.
Then I'm with my catch.
Me need the sister son to be a guy. Now sponsors now. More guy sponsors now also. They ain't na my friends. They ain't Adriana. They ain't na my friend.
Your vita.
Philo.
Me philo na my friend.
Philo drinking no me cry me jai. Me ono kwa on kan who be on kan sponsors. But sponsors more kai Kivo Gary.
Young Vita.
Onga.
Zento kids. Hey, mo kai o mungina afi everywhere so meba so na magigi niema abrem. Why? Me need the sister Sandy Fantino, I'm cinematographer, and you man amudi jam kwan. I'm on
for you, sister Sandy. Oh, for you.
Me na minyo.
Oh, for you, sister Sandy. Oh, for you. For the she making on every Sunday. And you just staging it so.
Oh, for you.
What kind of way? Oh, my baby's coming. I miss you so much. And Shoma.
Yes, right.
Aquasisia. Commander 6.
Carlos Elias. We are catch us here. Kwane can say the sweet here. Yen kwane yen kanwie sa nkopa ho achew. Efimre santi besi ne. Bede dia kwasi ensi asem de kabre na edrusu. Alpem se ebi oni entwa so a awrosem wa asi e wo fimfiri mantemu. Sukufuo akobo ademe ko wie kire. Ye pra adisuafo bese enan. Ya enya de ketwa. So mama some of the videos ni bia na ye to ebuo pa de bo school ni or because school for say ye ntie ho ase wo niam bia akosomu. School for ntie wo ase o. E wo niam bia akosomu enu nti eni ye to bo ye buru ye nuanom. Some of the videos ni bi na bia wa unya akwanya ehunu ne akoso no osutimi hwebi we are school for nkwada ma me first one na na ya chi school ni atare eda ho a ye bro no ya chi school ni atare da we are school for na classes are no na de bia kasa asemwe ye timi tonkoso nkonkosua abrofo ene ma omode titi omamafra emfa wo ye krom hanom enye ni nyina na be ye adwuma de abayen ya kasa sebo over and over hwe sukoni ene ya bro de sa no sukoni o ene ye sibam ne sa no what kind of nkwada ene ye titi omo sabre kind of nkwada ene ye titi omo sabre tibichi wanka se wadanfo usukoni ebru ni sei semi yan panishi school nkwada ye the free senior school abanti ye feri akwada bia biem Okay, so Bianco Scobia wine. Yet the free senior squabati, young Fedia Quadabia. How can it happen? And Yaquadabia Chenani, Titia Papa. I will for you to be Tiamo. Let it for me to be at Tiamo. America for the don't want to say America for a slacks, and I make sure what you mean. America for the don't want to almost say, Oko one more, Yamuru Mumma, Yamuru school for no, more than yes, America. Mamifa, every year, our America, students, young down, about 50,000 and experience shooting. America for that treat for it's what we for so. America for that or treat for sa pam ne de pese okosubiana. Sebe wie che ne mo free every baby om we. Afi enye abo ene mababiem. Eye tuo ne betwe si acheche fo so ana. Na no East region. Students at teacheni abro no. Teacheni okoje na danfo kwan ebese na kofie ya che na bono all because they so straight. Ghana Education Service, Ministry of Education, move fairly Ghana. Move fairly Ghana. And no cre at a chef one more, the kind of punishment and nobody man is suffering, they be broso. But yet, mean you see, I don't quite find justification. Say, you mean what Franon say, you what I say, what pro etite pansam. Na kwa nani mwadie? Sukonia kwa na jeti chenim no one ne ekasa asente penso e no ne ekasa ni power brabo dachi e danesem o ma be de echichiri ye ne siam na kwa wie da be na kwa kusi da be de amaye ma me kwa amaso na me ne abana msini yo wo awutu senya west e kwa twen komo ne mpeso so na asem ne esiye on chira no moto be na woyem ma say please for issue statement say on ba be investigate asem no na hwemu kra hyase ya ekoso or say please for that case so central region so it mean investigate you omo then as such a occasion na bambo for no te say na bambo for no na te say because this is not the first one you witness me be saying. The sat I'm not bambo for na or say bob pine or not almost storm to do I say na people cry honum. It's so sad. It's so sad say yeah or mine say ye. Na ye jan kwada no ye to masaram. Wo kana oba tami bu afusi atwom and then kwada omo yes interest. Wo na say ye hia for ma say twom. And you for money pepper. But when you for my say, Tom, what mamma papa ni be? Ever your mamma papa and will never teach you for my part just throughout. Could you be bound bully say? It will young crash a show. Who sent who you would dinny and would this some who could to me at all? I would ye and what dream. And akwada se be jane sa ni amana ko because in school ni me yan punish no me yan kan hwe me yan jane se ya no run no graduate to be do America for de bi hi nigga say sa ne pe hi nigga oh shut up eti akwada ne kase be brofo time oh fuck off oh shut up that out for 20 years as ye yare Oba shase se bi e kan kwase asem sei oba ta wontimi ntia no e de me bande me bande brofo si obey ni esua ne ma bonni wo social media ne so oba ta mo oni eku ba ho die na me baje phone die no wo hwe die no wo sua oba ta anye sa because akwara ne suti no o pebi dia ma na no hotimi ato no akwara na dia wo ye ati die na nba no esua o phone so onwi ho Because it is the first one you record be say for interzonas and interco. But the rate at which are ACC at this time, no, you too much. You too much. GS, Ministry of Education, we need to go back to the drawing board. Yet me because you see our no be musa. Onam kalala muacha na pai.
Mpacho mejoso pa.
Na mote da ebrebe na mote se basa we ekoso.
Mpacho chassis Thursday. Chassis Thursday. Na Friday so so.
Eti brebe na basa na kasa chassis.
Yes, so I'm free so na me chino for and the way. The whole thing started last year. That was why Rava School be. So this year, the information I have, the school decided not to partake in this year inter-corp where service school business. But new head now abandon. And you new and non-person pay for being issue in or report coming say on better or more corner against on corner. We'll do everything purposefully to support or assess the plan. And see, we are some of the children in Mokasai. After no more can say, a young woman, young court, and yes, no more court. The first police or Akuna and Kasai, not for authorities, no, Bakasa. So, or yeah, also if we are. But unfortunately, what happened was that Thursday in the area, according to eyewitness reports, now very high Bupano. If you don't say, well, I know someone to talk over a or senior high school, it's a Bumpalano. Acrobat Mubano Cano, a water deal, or we made it right into the hospital. This is the next 10 minutes now. Head no your friend no. Yes of the corner. Yes to move about a papa. No friend, no friend no say. Mr. Colin now or Agunano. They couldn't answer friend, yes. Federal hospital now.
Okay, it's honorable DC, but Mammy say. So it means the assembly no aware say as of last year. Na when she was school me no entem.
This year, last year, with this year, but not here, and yet for say near to this year.
So, was there any security arrangement with near a course so last year? Yet near at least young mano and scality send a net aqua.
Information I want, and I'm sure say, I can't say, I think I said, fishing be with chatted, I know Martin, and when I said, I see there I took back as to stop me and I you know. When we were told, said, the police were on standby, the head people were also on standby. But now you see yourself,
do we have enough policemen on ground? So bet me
Yes, because as we speak, I mean information that I'm making. For information, Director General of Education, the Regional Director, and Police Commander or Agunano. Now, this year, you can say, Director of CID in Amkwansa or Bama in Akusamo. So that whatever we have to do, we have to. Unfortunately, I'm saying it's a weekend. And what I don't answer the time when we go, no more school. It's not a pay now. Yes, a full investigation about near Kosono. But my before now, member parents are mobile school brother say, Akrabia in Kolana, and Kolana more year involving Obia no one can.
Obiangue.
But Obiangue.
Okay, it's near what enough policemen at what field from weekend basis Sabre, yet me identify could be actionable. What to make?
Okay,
maybe I said near what enough policemen our grounds no from weekends never see Sabre, yet me identify Quadam Quain, but when it's be action one.
But identify fortunately, yet identify Waka, no more shame to not buy, you know. It's a million cat, Yelina Gusa,
but Mutiate for one of some of to know me students, I'm some free fin buy.
Yeah, Mobile background for which I can't one. Mobile Mom, we are town folks are more room. Sugar, the town folks are more room.
But I'm Kalala for see, that's it. Abanam Snow to Senya West, Kalala to send a tree and Comono. Media questions in assembly Kajbedini, and for his fan pace besimo, and to us. Yes, I'm now going to be for Embrabe Jam so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV, Big Boss on the Sono, yeah, live and so on the brave radio sending. I will just for better say, I should train and come more. Na yɛtwɛ sɛ wodo adabɔkata no ɛde aba abɔnten the headlines. The daily gist dabɔkata ɛdie. Ɔsɛ fix the system, not punish farmers. Kojo Oponkroma and ɛka ne sɛ ye. Faces of NDC gurus who treat cocoa farmers for power. Honorable His Excellency John Dramani Mamafoni Abba Dr. Kasiato Force Ifoni Waha. Ora Eric Opoku Foni Wana face Sami Jemfisu Foni Ewaha. Catholic Bishop posts love letter to President Mahama on cocoa crisis. Attorney General sweating with oral cases. The daily gist, the Wakata Enonom. Daily graphic. Government bans land transit of cocoa cooking oil. B5 plus pioneers 24-hour economy. President reviews at expanded plant commissioning. Graphic Business Stanbic Bank breakfast meeting tomorrow. Expert to discuss urban transport system. Daily graphic, the Wakata Enono. Daily guide, NDC 24-hour economy misled youth. Kojo Oponkroma. Mama commissions B5 plus steel plant. Gamancha discharged from UGMC after car crash. Heath Gold Fields record first gold pour. Ignites local economy. Interior Ministry introduces automated fire compliance safety system. Daily guide. The new publisher, the Wakata Sunye. Stop your PR gimmicks and get to work. Oponkroma tells government. Truant doctors to lose salary. Minister set February deadline. Phone number reveal kidnappers hideout. Victim rescued by police. SHS Beza arrested for stealing student food. The new publisher, the Wakata Enonom. Republic Press. Dirty pure water flood Kasua as typhoid cases surge. Oponkroma throws shade at 24-hour bill. One court finds 2,400 Ghana cedis each for illegal possession of firearms. Republic Press, the Wakata, and so Enonom. The MDWA the custodian. Government celebrates, but our families mourn. Farmers protest killer cocoa buyer producer price cut. Government bans land transit of cooking oil. Students prefer multi-faith schools. Research reviews. Minority exposes NDC 24-hour economy gimmicks. The custodian, and then we ban and pay. It's winning some of the headlines at the book at be a day on the brighter side of life. Let me say happy birthday, confirm Alexander Chum Berima, on a deputy director general of the Narcotics Control Commission, and your birthday. When you are Mary Amwakon ya wo Kumasi ya wishimo happy birthday nyame wo nhyira wo no nyom kese ko se obeye kese pa awyafo Atlas Clement Opoko Jamfi AKCID o emranim ni enkade abanam sini ene yekaso wo premaburu dibre ewo NPP amyokom se NPP delegate to abamanme NPP National Youth Organizer Sasna David Theophilus Dominic Von D.
My company.
A member of my company. I'm a campaign. Constituency. What do you go there? A radio who am. And the Miasu Hatche. Aye. Constituency Boko.
Eradinti ya hoye consensus eboko.
Yes.
Yeah, menu idea ne post op dia me dia menya yanko monto ma no.
Enye campaign ma me fro.
Say oye di papa. Na so usuru me. To say ma menya campaign ma no. I say message campaign. Oh, but serious, on a more serious note, I feel say we have young people. I have another young man in the MPP.
Okay.
Very intelligent guy. His name is Dr. Bano.
Yeah, Dr. Frank Bano.
Yes, a very nice gentleman. I think these are the people who should be running things, and maybe the next 30 years. The
next 30 years from now.
Yeah, 100 years.
So that will be 50, 26.
Maybe. I mean, again, even in opposition, they need very nice young guys. So more dream down between me. So for me, he's a nice guy, a lawyer, a very intelligent one at that. I will have no problem if he become the youth organizer. It's just that me, individually, there are nice people in the MPP. You see, but when they group to pursue the agenda called MPP agenda, and you wish them well, then you may be very dangerous to this country.
Okay.
I mean, yes, but individually, why not? Nice gentleman. Some kind of
I was Yamina do be able. We share CFO.
Medas.
If you man pon e ba ya na.
Me pa che free kroma ya.
Okay. Be able ko.
E fom to say.
Yamina do me fom ye.
E mabunu ne pe.
E mabunu na kasa kra ni mi na di nkomo se. Semfa timra.
Okay.
Na me consultations. Nyeso omo tamechi o. Omo na e di mani.
Omo de wo ba.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. One day, quick one on this students' clash.
Yeah.
Yeah, DC no Eka. Say as of last year, no many say men team was students in term. But I think maybe they underestimated it this time. And the man called James Bosa.
Ma mencha na mincha minua our team in incoming youth organizer for MPP. Na mincha for a team of mine most importantly. Mina nana ahemfo mokwa ane twefo mahemfo DC Ezekiel Onye Juma Council of State Confidence ane mi amebra obo amedwuma mi nyina braya michia wo nyina. Now you see that statement say na omo beef B students know that no cry no. I mean, sanctity any the my young kola organa hana. You see, now behe no. Woma etisa no. Eye womo efie nya kra. Womo sabi de bedie kra na den. Womo sa no na ombe school a. Womo so omo kire so womo nso wo ho. Enti na etu trust some anano be student bi share at a be school. No, I ran a remedial school as well, Ana me bisa ne say at a be na wa share. Lady bi. Ana si o we no rapper bi wa America.
Hey,
ana Usiano na onatari ne brand na hye no.
Oh, okay. Rapper ne brand.
Na business America na wako hoda. Wonko hoda. Sa woko America. Na sa woko sha wo mu a, Ube hu se sabi. Sa nua me yen hye nkwa bonten ne nam ho. Ebi onipa no ko show. Wo ko stage ni ade no. Ana mo ho no. Ne mo akwa America awo akyerew. Atare say ne yenhye ne nama bontin o. Enuama yesua ewo ye school no. Aya hadwene o. Unim me first born on.
Yeah.
Already science no person yeah engineering. Obetro O level next month.
Okay.
No person call MIT, Massachusetts. A person call America. misuro se mema ne nko na onko oman foforo bi so
okay
se Ghana na on pese obekọ na university kura no a mesre no onko oman foforo so because I follow shooting incidents at ACC e wo school se wa America me da men na enu bi ni yesua hwe obi base dia onyanko ebro no dia abo block de bono ehritimi tia ne teso e wo fom mo hwehwe sa abofra no bebi ofre metimi akanta message so mami ni bidi ahwe kra bukohwe kra wo mo firi mu a ekra bi ase ohye ewrade aye na dom ni adi na ba school a wo besua sa esuban yi a die yebedi efie kra bi ni ho and number 2 ade wonim say esisi wo stadiums nso
yeah
okay say supporters akotiash abi akọ abo sa kotoko pole etuo ekuno ya brantia ne wonsisi ne wonso a me kohwebo agrodie boy ye boy sika ye chei wonyi bi wo kohwe keke no wa ye dede go no abetena fie wotimi kotwi tuo bon nyanko kono adan a boy ye bo no a wo mmobie wo ho asem na the decision referee take no anya ode enti wakatwi tuo ana wabo obi kono ankwalai I think say asutwi a ye free secondary schools no aya hadwene kakra o because obi ane ne culture what you say onyankopon de ye ba wiase no wo ma obi a kwanya se de onfantena emfantete ne ho emfantete ne nkwala ye yesua ebi mu de dodo amana ba ba sei ye ne ye de dodo ebe yanka babu si yanko ye chinhwa tete akwan a ye faso no ni yetimi de akyereni yanko lai na daachi ye daachi ankolai daachi ba ye dan okay se say ni ye kosua school a because de wodi ayabo frei emfrei ni trimu da
sure
or the benyina revenge baba saa be kwa adwumam saa be ko so nyakwan be politician e de be ko business de ebe ko so saa e di entity nka Ghana de abadan ne ewo ye suma ye ho
hate
Ghana no kane no na otika mu abofra kra na pani betena mu a
yeah
a scientist ya ye de ama ofie ne wa sorry na pani na betena se ade ne ehui ade no man akwei so ehun be hia se ye be kwa akofa dada no ane ewo no atiti mpanifo a yenya mpanifo ade o man anim na nya misuro ahye ye mai ababa biom ni ahwem ye ni ade ye papa no ye de ayedwuma bio ana misuro
David Vondi, a member of Parliament, Madeshe, what you for at Bokwa constituency. Let me say happy birthday, Kofma Kwakujia, a member of Asante Professional Club. Eku, and I would have Kwaku. Yamincha, no, your case, who is a baker, sepa. Kwame.
Was he? When the account is a million, eh? And your my question, me not going to DC, no, Hano, no, didn't come more. Telephone me, and somebody see. A purely criminal matter, Nancy. This is
when I head of DISEC.
Oh, gotcha.
The whole security in the district.
Into obey to now, can be. Obey to me, I could push it to be our quarter. I dare see my own man, young cow fear, said when you can. Obokum na the parents and Pana son. Oh, Caprini ho. She said, Obey woman, none would come. You understand why ye nuanu kumani ya manomu ye sanyomawi. I say obi eja omo ejejemu obi nipa no o ya de no ko nim said o ye boni o obi ho onim said o ye no kwa boni ba onto so obetwe na adwene so aka say na say ade a wuyi one year, no.
Yeah.
My father has a nice way of telling you are stupid. Well, I say God gave every human being brains, so use it. If you fail to use your brains, someone will use your brains for you. And see, what answer I was say, Papa, what's the matter? The other cancer travel work cries out to my idea, and you know, boss. You know, I'm not going to invest here. You could invest degree, pa, they are we. So also no one could invest in because yes, so he puts you at a certain level. No, who knows I don't know how you know. As a graduate, and now be a who school yet. And me me party no mudin komo. Recently, me neighbor called me who send a life essence. Why you need to start be now over again. They need carry there than the two. It's yeah Fridays, a couple Friday special Bob. Okay. When you born a bob. Tell me why I all you know sir. And I'm a friend, then you call me Karen and say, oh how pan say. Just say, on any nanity. Then I know anything cry. Bear 2 weeks who nanada. And while need you are right through for the or yeah no makakra. Now besides say dear intino yes I know man onim. I feel all your board catch him say or you sure send now for no man. I'm saying to bet me any woman jan and say say I. Oni woman jan and say ne on na account. Say onye bio. Mama discuss all the nitino. On to me training na akra on yi ho kakra. Na brand tie mra say be ya asem kra yam fa asem fashion fashion. Because I know your sister way woman. Yeah. Asem on to da. Asem to da. I remember secondary school ya ko hihye adwuma bi ya be chi ye nyina say ya ne akoye sa de mi du yi mi firim. So I am hihye. Ko mu be say na manim mi timi yan basawo. Innocent. Teacher is David, you can't do that, you can't do that. And I learned something from there. Appearance. But okay here. Umuntie. Because I said, yeah, court no. Obi wa okoni ed na gina da kam. Na we bold bisana no catch us asem kwa onim ho hwe eye police soup ene be peke no. And I was so we draw wahusuo ne obobre ne ade nyina ache se ade a ye kan yi wo betumi yeah. How do you take yourself out?
You can't.
Nti afi na lawyer for no wo ba me adwuma e den. Me headmaster bi ono wo Mansodu Biasini High School. Ye kɔ no ho me yedisi na nkra ne ensamba ne ye kɔ ne ye kan. O the chief we me masma me kan say me kɔ ho na manya bi de okɔ ho kɔ ye dey. Yeah. That is the point. Okɔ ho wa anya bi. And our homes are failing. And then crowd tablets, mobile phone, iPad. Yeah, you go adwuma. No fear, no osia. Sadia ehwe o TV so a. Social media. Obi hui. What about the crop? American movies. And foreign nyom clips. Yeah. They forget say acting. And acting I no turn into cartoons. Exactly. Sajak Chen and your are turning into cartoons. And about PS5, PS6, PS setting quality is no more share. Serious. I was a boy, I'm free in TV. So
let me tell you this. Mamika intro. Miss Small Boy, last born, Emperor. Emperor Jinakunya, my bedroom, as Supanti. It was new settlement. Or Jinakunya was no every quarter. Let me see what are you doing? I say I'm a Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, no, are you acting? Yeah. And Small Boy 4 years, just every Akunya back so ko top back. So be as I say I'm a Spider-Man.
I mean you are serious. Fred or here. Na the yere no I mean you are sort of. Na omo babako. So damn. To almost say media. But out of was oh my offers na am say TV na board na what to dia bo na pine am say yahwe ampire on to for to TV na che nto so yes sir. You see kwasi say ya akra oya no onim o de opa twa ne sa ho baako ana twa ne to next time ade da on to more ade no because onim so to bo mu no o twa ne sa. That is the formative time period now. I say what cycle na adwuma no hu say nyama bi wo ha enye
yes I'll go back to the days na you punishing kwada e wo school
no because you can punishment enye bronko na punishment o teacher ni say o punish wa enye bronko o yeah ko secondary school yi bi nyina because yetimi every 2 weeks internal suspension obey adwuma wo field sa na
you see what the challenge ka cry over ni say semi edusua na mempa edusua o suspend him from class who say but we edusua
ba obey adwuma
and I'm telling you look na me ka ono aka already on class
okay
but so edusua ni a o pe ba bia ko say na o tue from this back o pe so be lawyer. Yes, suspended from class even 2 hours.
Yeah.
So it depending akwada bia the kind of punishment. Them can say so the punishment no me nyina so nkon say yes ni nyina na ya baabo.
Yeah.
But akwada be no say e bona ba. Akwada be no say suspended from class.
Psychological training. It's just a church for no ye di omukom look me fie on ye mo aba na onim akonwa bi si corner baabi.
Yeah.
And your friend sheshem akonwa see a malcotna so a ubesu the whole day.
Ubi anu ni agro.
Kotna sompo. Nadia, I don't have to offend daddy.
Yes.
For daddy to make you go and sit on that chair. What naswa? Ubesu am the whole day.
Because see me for Nick. Obi one on pen ka. Kind of punishment.
Yeah.
Okay, na nimpe.
Was he amkrani enjo?
Ba kwele no.
Bi amkrani when you flow mu keto bia. Me so betimi ehu obi ende. Ochina bohunu akobona so.
Now her no
bona so now what the bibia hyem.
And they are who American movie.
Of course. They say yes because America be good. The tiana we no make can. No man say careful to say. But yes you son.
Yeah.
Me kai Korea Japan 2002. Ronaldo kucha haircut bia. Na etare na pampem.
Me hu pa.
Ye nyina twa bi di ko school. Ye nyina ye twa bi di ko school a yoko du ka na dey tin wo yipo na bomuta so manfi no medical school enti because na me pe football no me hwe no am obeye me icon sort of me hwe no enti akora no so penum akora pe football ne de bia ezi ayemi
la mi yama be ye no obeye bi
enti omu ni kai na eda omu to ope ayi satan 50 cents ne wa obeye bi.
We are living in a time where
serious
a man ketwa enom shisha ferry.
Oh now they want.
I mean and that is dangerous.
Ya bra club ho never heard the brand any ma
shisha thing. Dangerous.
Shisha free no huni na numu nyina.
And about ferry crowd.
Oye obesa a video they are to social
media. Aye.
Obey video no that to social.
Say the aba the some kita cigarette no or 2 hands. Or three way ya. No, a twin way. On the champion.
On the beard them control.
Champion. I mean, please.
This way I can go. I can't quite.
Oh, we are boy at the park. Yeah, crassing for crama or no. Yeah, can't cry. I'm crassing for cranny. I can't. No crowd. Yeah, boga guy.
Message number is 0531.
But I think the police should deal with this matter.
My issue statements
because it's dangerous.
Parents no.
Can you imagine?
Oh, of course. Because he. Oh, I me say the court. Now we issues ba. Now we say young guys. I name me at the point say you see your sentence will be now we nipa age. It's a man 15 years calculate you. Once upon a time, I am with the monko in prisons.
Oh yeah.
Na monko
and say
youthful a year or
yeah.
And these are the resources, so human resources. Yes, sir.
No. Say I think last year, Ghana Prison Service published say about 80% of inmates are mabunu.
Oh yeah, no.
Emudu do na so Kumasi.
No credit.
Can you imagine?
Emudu do na so Kumasi prisons.
Can you say
the age bracket was I think from 9 or 10 to I think 18 or 24.
Oh, me say because
majority of our inmates are mabunu.
And baby a sentence so do na so akoye district courts.
Yes.
Nipa na sem to na on fa lawyer.
There be.
I mean, you say on follow.
Onima de kro.
Nebusia no kra no. Wan de kra.
Make a chiro no. We dey kwa afraid. If you nya kra. Oh, for follow we here.
There be because you na ya dey we. I mean, we di for na do be must be di for. Judge ni bibia ye. Do be try and say o convict you upon your own plea.
Penifo be catch so kwa akasa o di for na ya kan wani mu.
Anya penifo. Be cases bi o am ya. We say the person na ko ka so di for. I say police for na say me get
me kwa me ye be jam me abeti so ama me
esu che uhwe mu ana say
only for
to police for the country o mo
serious lawyer mo bro
me say prisons wo dey call mebunu egu ho
okay
and so on my year to say na say wo working human resource say near the
prisons no 80%
no, now I've come to terms with argue say and you be an say custodial sentence. If you are here say you be one year
community service
yeah we still resources no
we say no adichi a we dey na question o mo adosa ka atwem no mo hwe no mo adosa
begem ni mama
obesua ade asini say o dey ba question prison
mama na mo mra say na ye mehwe say 24 hour economy na eba
aba na say eba
aba ni safi na mampeni asan mabra
koko ye beka ho asem
koko fi afo sun
ye beka koko
asa ban so release about 1 billion Ghana cedis last week
una oni kroma
ye beka ho asem
tu kuma say koko fu ab free ayi sehwini ade aba free ayi
wa ho de amoye ahya na mo kwase sankrofo e hye o mo ntare e se o mo nko demonstration o ba na o mo ka se scam de mo 200 so anto mo nya demonstration me wo ka ho ana mo se sankrofo go you wo person ye YouTube yo ye careful
o free service
ningi na ye beka o de so se ye kwa ba o pe kwa me ye nko me chere chere de o mo ye angra bebre free crime kuma se abonten ye sisa wo mo dabi dia na ka chere wo na se wo videos ni bi
yo what's up for dia sem
dia ka chere wo
dia fe say o mo be demonstration o mo hwe obi ono afa ka free session afa ka free wasa afa ka free wo constituency wo to aba mo abaye MP ayati koko so aba na nka usuma wo mo o say how
as say ya kan asam no ne ya kan say dia say ya kan tie me koko na ya ti so na me mo na ka cho say me nya koko akuani wo ra me koko fo mo obedwan me koko am one abru 70 acres
70
I'm telling you me papa na ma me nyina ya koko akuafo na ehra me ti ye nyina do koko
afi what
what dey say ye nyina do koko na betie 1000 ntiti si ye timi 1000 Ghana e koko ba ko so a ye how na ye see ebisi ye ho say tina yati koko no so no do we have any other choice
but me by say
so you want choice
maybe ya dey maba to akoma de so kwa be ever emra begem so for WhatsApp message 0531 029795 0531 029795 ya for din and maybe the free bar e ka ba me e divondo so de na o de ye koko na how many acres now o say 50
no me koko okay, Cambo my cover 70
acres. 88 acres be able to be about 46 bags.
Every say me papa.
Okay.
Now you cocoa ni.
So it means you're expecting 368 bags of cocoa.
No, you cocoa ni. One say cocoa no nyeni nyina na ubanya yield.
Sure.
Wo penti wo kan sa no e wode ewo. Nyeni ntino bi kra obey appeal no tiase. Ye don ye tiase ese utumi etwitwa kokon nua no na ebi ho a ebi afifi ho no na waje bi ona no so atake over ne ade afro dada no se de ye hwe no ne ade ni nyina wo ho wo ho mamenka se kokon na yate so no ayame ya pa boroso ohene fanisa wuti koko 10 bags bag back mbi manyenu miensa edu na wo koton a sese sika ya tie free so no tire say 1000 ya yin aye 10000 meboa aya me hia menya ya enka ye di kokoo kwadwam a ye nto no 10000 bag back okay sana me peno
as kokoo kwani
se me ye kokoo kwani koko ne dono ho ne fa ba ko ho a yana ne ye hi ene se wati koko di soso no ati koko na gu fom na wo koto atase koko na abo ano a massive area first class ya adwuma no yo ne ya ene ntimenya ya enka nembre ya to koko be ya 10000 a bag nanso koko no ni dodo no a Ghana ha no sabi mano da somra so be kan man kan ya onim se me igbeni nti koko no enya banchi ne ade wo fufuo nya bode a mpe bode apesie pa so yenwe koko ni dodo no a no ye de kwa ma no ne na koton ebuo na wa ma no ne sa ban koje a na oba betimu bi e de amakwiani no sesei no so ayantro ana se amanoni sika no a yedi to kokoo no sesei no ton ni nyina ni nam less than $4,000 ayabe $3,200 $3,800 na wo de buy a Ghana sika mu a eya he wo bobo a etrese amanoni no sesei amenemo kasei Cocoa bag baku ekobe 2,800 Ghana cedi. Awa amanone. Ohene. Na se yakoto ade no Africa ni ho. Ni ya de ko wiase adwaso. Ni yakoto no 2,800. Na kwani no odo kokoo no. Aban abreye 2,500. Esini wo ha ebumu eduokron. It is more than 90%. Aban na koto koko amanone no no de abrayan. Enenti menya asanki ya tokoko 100 million kemepe no. Nanso yakoto ye no. Ye nyasa. Ohene. Ya bosia adi koko na asisi awowa aban bi abetwa mu kono adi koko no ayenya ntie ya no akwaji hu sika makoko duane na haban kra yakwaji hu bosia edi mene mo kasei yadi koko ni bia kwa akwaji sika na ne bo no ya frane forward sale na say when you are forward selling in economics, the buyer will also forward buy by looking at the future indications, whether or not the commodity have future price or not, into a factor when the price or the better in the home. And we are borofo, monyano. Na mi ya kokwe kwie ni ye woman ye. Poto kasemono, ye fre bibi income. Chese sika wenya. And ye fre bibi real income. Chese sika na wenya na ho den ne nsusu aso ate sen. Okay. Ana me ne mokase. Me din ke aka se me ye kokwe kwie ni. Na me nim kokko no sade ye do no sade ne ya ote ya ni nti. Ye to kokko 100 million po a enka mepe. Ebere bi betwa mu na anu ya. Me nua na ama no ne ye to kokko no more than $9,000. Sabere no na dollar no wo de buy a Ghana sika mu a eye 16.5 Ghana cedi. Ebere na na danko akufo ado ne abarante ya wo pa MPP youth organizer edi woni wa ba mu.
Yeah ben.
Oko 2023 2024 2024
na dollar is 16 Ghana cedis na near ton cocoa $9,000.
Even 2024 yeah ma amanone.
So 2023 2024 crop season.
Enti tie me.
Okay.
Woko abrochiri gratum so a. Cocoa no ekosura akodu $9,000.
Okay.
Enti no sa wo sese de bag Ghana sika mu a. Na nka cocoa bag ba ko bia no. Amanone ye kotono 9,000 ni echiri 9,000 Ghana cedi ni echiri kakra. Sabre no. Anomo na NDC ye dede se.
Okay.
Sa wo hwe said ye nuamate wo sabre no a. Considering all factors at the time. All factors at the time. Wo hwe sabre no nsonso na wo ho a. Wakoton kwani koko 9,000 a. Awa abrochire a. Anya kura no enka mane mu 6,000 na aban fa 3,000 no. Na anso aban adi 3,100 amakwiani no. Ono afa sika ne kase abuburu.
Mira se vo.
Eno mo ne ye ka se.
Okay.
Sa yen nke wa aban mu sabre no a.
Okay.
Anka sika no yen fa ne kase e na me ne mo kase yi. Ya demonstrate sadia ne tie me pese. 1 minute
30 seconds now.
Yo, ya demonstrate sadia no. Ya koton koko no 2,800 Ghana cedi no. Ya dia move 2,500 di abrekwani no e kire se wo ambu mu no aye 90% and over MPP for say once ayanya can say yen ye wa ba mu sa abere no anke be makwane ne 6000 no enne ye kotokoko no ye kotokoko no 2800 wa ma no nimpo a ye nkope bosia fanka ho ni emfambre kwene no 6000 ohene sa wubu oman na sa wo oman ho adwene papa so wobeka ne sa na
mera say
David when him say sika yaje when him sika 2500 no eto cement dodo
mate
esene MPP aberso 3100
mera say
meya sa calculation natural
kwabe
but say sika 2500 so change sika 3000
anya sa na mekan na wonim wo wakoma mu so anya sa na mekan wonim pa
kwabe also ukasenya na
mai but I want your friend DDT sure this will be
Dominic can say David
Dabolika what was assistant said the way of camera what DDT
no who said DDT no offensive no answer na DTD
no MPP for propaganda shebu masay all the na odoko there
me doko pa
me ka dia na oda me kan yaze obia na sa koko board for nyo nyina na doko
obi amaye
brana ko school na epe scholarship yenya
okay
enso ebi munya
kwa me yenko
kosi mamen kancha Ghana for say sika enyam kwa na make Ghana for nim sika 2500 enye ni tipa ne 3100 bako so chen bako now onyankopon osese obi twantra on o ma utwantro ni nyina wie no apakwa bi so expose de fe wase mi hu ne se wo hwe o ma a champion se MPP 4 year ni pabone 4 isisi koko akrache 4 koko farmers enti o sen kasika no 3100 de mo sen ko 6000 ni akire no o ma ne de animu Dr. Atoma Forsen Eric Opoku His Excellency John Dramani Mahama dia kono papa ye no is chief executive Cocoa board ono so ni TV so no motana de kasa asem no we are about to refer to MPP government no on cocoa issue said it is only a useless government that will take that decision fast forward de nyame aye o ma no mo sa nyansa ni adwene ni nyina no betim di cocoa na ko 6000 no yakopon do mu nyina sisi ba bia cocoa fo no behia o mo ade sika na ko 6000 here Dr. Atoma Forsen we dey or a finance minister wouldn't say under NDC administration Cocoa board enye under IBO agric ministry bio wouldn't say or finance ministry into one sector minister na 6000 no a be kan na okojina platform so kan etre TV so justify no and afa hin ye Eric Opoku even though Cocoa board enye under agric ministry or representative or board no so into a deputy John Dumelo and the board no so in fact say ye producer price review committee na or not as a Greek minister on a chair it is a tum ye better so e no okotena am sister station baako so ekwadwa na num koya analysis kesakasa ye betimi o sen kokko 6000 ama onua na o ye shom say na say ndisi fo no gbo for kronos omugbo wa krono omugbo mu krono o sen ke de code 6000 and now we are Greek minister ade na 6000 no on to me fanko
okay so kwa meaning say wotie omo defense we fa chemi
okay
omo defense no money ba no ese se na ne tokoko ebra no mo call for 6000 and yes sanity
okay
when cocoa price was around $7,000 I drop here be do $4,100 a man pay price set tiba from around $3,600 $3,700
and you better to subia
also be so say they are buying I buy the car to be that ti buy copy $150 million and I be cushion sa kana ba chi so obisan wo say $7,000 when to be on be that me that cost $6,000
me no na show no
okay
on say mbusa asenti cocoa price so ten nti ombesa be ti subio ana
there be
and I say there be when ba konti omunti minti subio and on ba konti o ma so change cocoa akuafo
okay chiri
cocoa no ye turn seasons me no kasai unim vondi nim obi o me bia nim say me my adwuma cocoa board pen and say na me ba take political office cocoa no e turn season and season cocoa e to e 2025-2026 cocoa crop season.
Okay.
Before the start of the season, I be in October. For the first time, we could be on cocoa season somewhere August.
August, yeah.
I be see that. And then be in August because omenu sem. E man ko photo cocoa no holiday. It's now fe omo fa ma no more chance October ni be duru ni e be announce price because omo ko kan ye cocoa board chief executive ko kan say be to cocoa no to mun get ready. Ana president Mahama so brief ni onya no so ko gina Western region no so di ko wo. And now people will buy the cocoa and hoard it. It's almost for cocoa and they were forced to open the cocoa season in August. So the baby receive cocoa no. Now, almost buy a sewa brochure what you have to among. Cocoa season you best start here. You set a price for the season. It's based on what? I don't know, but it's a price, no. And it cost 3,600. At the end of the indicators by factors by. So say. Yate so odwama so nti what so a based on what ana omudi base here e dey here cocoa board nko a ana mo price o mo cocoa a say exchange rate and there a tenor cocoa board bit make negotiation with Bank of Ghana governor say if a trend no say the economy by the close of the year exchange rate bit make be at 13 and at 14 so give it to us at 12.5 and at 13 meanwhile we could about 10 minutes what them can say okay so sa producer price review committee no majuma mo ye pa no
governor so also
governor was so and to me can say just a simple question say it is a say yate cocoa so international market and now ever from no o be say be te aba be su bi o ana o si there bi and I set a price na but your start season here set a price no let me show there wa in the history of Ghana Cocoa Board and World Cocoa for the first time a cocoa price issue to international market been see that 2025 and I will show you evidence I will that's what me can say me boa World Cocoa yem ton wo manso dubia and share them money ye international market unya boy beba it me rising ya ko duru 13,000 USD per ton been see that 2025 yes
cocoa price cocoa price
in the international market a koya could do 13,000 and start September
brebe na
me say 2025
month by
why oh no that's such a tuning somewhere
ukuta tablet ekuta phone
ekuta
computer we be asing na so ade ehwe ni so
kwasi
so wo kan
onim leadership failure and am cocoa farmers na brand
won na ekoto cocoa no amano ni o
meba hwe ebra cocoa no do 13,000 omo forecast ye no omo anticipate say ebeko na ni more at 13,000 inti amian ton yenya abotre ne nko and start say airdrop where the current leadership of Cocoa Board me say Dr. Randy Abi has no reason to fail so failure it's either he's not being advised well he's ill advised and I say he's not taking the advice because the three deputies a top notch cocoa expert or more deputizing you cannot take anything away from Dr. Ban or your Jumo Craig or your research department head or your Jumo chief executive office or PhD and I'll be there more Craig over at Boating Atlas Nedia LBC now come here to say Kutiati nearly became the chief executive of Cocoa Board. Yeah. And Kutiati is the deputy chief executive in charge of operations. Over the cocoa market reported to only or what supervisory role on cocoa marketing company. And who was that three deputies way? That's how a chief executive. How can you fail? How can you fail?
For no pecresa, it really around 3,184.03.
Cocoa no.
Yeah.
And Tiamus into Umbeto Swana.
And I meant you
see, and just say, Oma more cocoa farmers.
In October 2025, the trading economics, the about 2 TV in some words, the trading cocoa economics, I mean, one of the highest terms of coin, somewhere in October 2025 was around $8,000.
Okay. No. Okay, that is what you are seeing.
Okay.
Somewhere November. See, also cocoa price. I'm not sure how trading room we are.
Flip it.
I'm not sure trading room.
We see a 13,000. 13,000. Facture yen. we are search no highest near 8,000.
Trading more. Say no more juma. Obi be request so person to cocoa.
Okay.
Into what say machine no. Now monitor prices no. And you say boys a cha Betty.
Okay.
Also to me cha to me ye.
You say aviator.
But aviator dem me twa bi da. Nti minim say that. But bet ne dey.
And the watch bi da.
It me tell say me twa bi da patrol. It me tell say.
Such now okay, you know.
Oh, what this what said that. The way when you it me tell say kwesi it me tell say cash out.
Okay.
E bi a match ye pon a ka benya 5,000.
Okay.
But cash out ansa ne pon benya bi a be 3,000.
And the only mu pa.
Enti enu bi na eto wo mu no. Now say ka omo ton at that price.
That 8,000.
8,000. I take from 9,000 by 8,000.
Okay.
No, so no betimi aton.
Okay.
But forecasters know who said that betimi akon anim. Enti enya abotre in about a month time and I say 2 weeks time betimi akon anim say the be ya you benya emfaso obi everyone is into business to make
profit. For message
you cannot take away because my mainland handing over notes.
Why you did the anchor?
Handing over notes. Erabu ahedu.
Yeah.
Edija. Yeah, Dr. Randiabi.
Okay.
I have a copy here.
Okay.
Share sustained producer pricing. Where almost said the pricing it here. Say in line with Cocoa Board's vision to incentivize the farmer to invest in cocoa farming, the board has consistently increased the farm gate price of cocoa from 7,600 per ton in 2016-2017 cocoa season, cocoa crop year, to from 7,600.
Okay.
And you could do 49,600 per ton in the 2024-2025 crop year. And this is the figure I illustrated. Okay. So we are chief executive. Uba handing over notes, the amount. You should read, understand, and ask questions.
But I could have added the factors of economic
factors. Even COVID time, Yanti cocoa price.
You want us to go there?
Cocoa farmers are promised numerous incentives like hospitals, schools, allowances, and scholarships. But none of these benefits reach them. When cocoa price increases, the cocoa board benefits. But when price drops, farmers suffer. Why isn't there any reform for hard-working farmers? Sami Eddie Odebayanum. Well, so why is the MPP behaving as if they have not been in government before? We saw your abysmal performance in government and the hardship we went through. So why the unnecessary noise today? Give us a break. Let His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and his able minister build the better Ghana we all want. 2 p.m. from Asante Mampong. And now on the free a buy. Well, see, government should pay the cocoa farmers and stop deceiving them. DY Asari, Edway Free Akro carry and or they a buy. Good morning, Badwam. It's my birthday, Christian Winko Fori. I can only say Mao Akpe, okay, happy birthday, and call and Famao. Well, see, please, I have an expose of an MC and a municipal transport officer concerning the drip machines. Okay, we'll get in touch with you. Why?
Get in touch.
Good morning, Honorable Bondi. What is happening in schools these days? The result of what the ex-president Nana Adom Kokufori implemented. That no teacher should beat any student in schools again. Wow. And also, when they accepted any results in schools, Julius and for Boasi Tutuka and the free abide. Well, say good morning, Mr. Ho. The free SHS, National Identification Authority, National Ambulance Service, NAPCO, etc., created thousands of employment for Ghanaians under the turn of the evil Akufo-Addo, as the NDC people call him. Now their angel is in power, and per what is going on, it is clear that President Mahama cannot create a single policy to create employment for their many supporters chanting Abam Papa Abba. Ainkra Edward Fidrobo Erodebay. Please, the compulsory military training for national service personnel to no happen. Honorable Eben, Assemblyman for okay. Good morning, Brother. Students' behavior nowadays is very horrible. All because teachers are limited to the classroom only. They can't punish students. Either government, parents, and sometimes the students themselves will attack you. So why should the teachers bother themselves to correct these students? They also want a peace of mind. David, Erifri Agunabo Bikuma, Onode Ebaim. We say, I'm of the view that teachers should be given their mandate back in terms of discipline. Just compared today's students to 20 years back students. It's not a fact that discipline has broken down in our schools. George from Koforidjia and also the free buy. We say, good morning. I think Ghana and Burkina Faso are in the same. Okay. Good morning. Our kids, so hey, Ghana, these guys need to be punished severely. Ken, Akwasi, please, good morning. My name is Aban from Zenu. NPP has no shame to talk about cocoa issue. You guys destroyed our economy and the cocoa sector, and you are still talking. President Mama will not do things anyhow like the way Akufo-Addo and Bawumia did to undermine the cocoa farms. Aban from Zenu and Ode Ebai. We say, good morning. Hey, Vondi, so you are happy that your government has taken 1,000 Ghana cedis from our sales. You will see what we shall do to you in 2028. Okay. Akwasi, good morning. My question to the rep is, if this cocoa price reduction had happened under NPP government, would he speak this way? You can imagine if comment had happened under Mahama government, they would have slashed the salaries of public sector workers. Again, Raniabe was in the USA to watch the world draw when he was supposed to attend cocoa farmers. Don't go to. Yeah, I say, well. Okay. Akwasi, let us reform our education sector. Because children of today don't have any respect for their tutors. And how can you beat your fellow students for small misunderstanding? Let's talk to our children at home so that they don't repeat it. Come back, I'm here back the buy, no. Come back. I'm way. I'm train back no. Edding. Okay, Frank Edward Free Ejumako Ena Ode Ebai. Well, see, Akwasi, good morning to you and your entire crew of Adom TV. Extend my greetings to Honorable Vendi and Jemfi for me. Akwasi, with this inter-school athletics assault happening now, Bratchem, proper investigation need to be done thoroughly because definitely there could be a reason for that. Thought we all know that sometimes there will be misunderstanding between second cycle institutions, but not to extent of infringement. I remember this kind of issue pop up in one of the of our regions last year, of which some SAS students attack and beat their tutor strongly, all because they have failed in their paper. Okay. But who my two message, you know, I say why? But blame our politicians for such things. Because we in Ghana, where MPP and NDC fight in the floor of parliament, is only too many Ghana. Okay, hey, Robert. Oh, Robert from Kasua, Elon by Manfa last one, Chatwo. Well, see, the NDC government is very callous and insensitive government. If not that, after all the numerous demonstration and picketing done by the poor cocoa farmers, they would have restored their old cocoa price per bag. Farmers should not worry. 2028 is just around the corner. Obama, which have not free by Madam say. I mean, Shram. On come connect to Maso.
What's it upon? Then now, ye. Oh, me a time, me buy you with the time living out my MPP. What do you my MPP or pay you to organize it? What do you the crime and family one didn't pay you. I crime and person propaganda. Oh, me and Casa.